Yeah, please, Your Lordship. I'd like to mention for listing one WBC Lordship for motion.
Motion.
Monday Lordship.
Okay.
May I please, Your Lordship? My Lord, item number 60, my Lord. This matter has been listed on my prayer, my Lord.
Item.
Item 60, my Lord. But because of some personal difficulty today, my Lord, this matter may be taken next Monday, my Lord. Otherwise, there is some urgency in this case, my Lord. Monday or Wednesday next.
Okay, on request made by Mr.
AHMR Choudhury.
H. Mar Chowdhury. Item 60, no?
60, yes, ma'am.
Then the counsel for the petitioner. List on fourth.
Deeply obliged.
May please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I'm praying for a listing of interlocutory application, Lordship, for stay petition, Lordship. The writ petition has been listed tomorrow, Lordship, as item 57 in Lordship's court, Lordship. So let this I also come up with that writ petition, Lordship. Tomorrow, Lordship.
You filed it?
Yes, Lordship. Today we have filed, Lordship, morning.
Then I don't know whether they can list it. Anyway.
Lordship, if there is no defective, Lordship, it will get listed, Lordship. Lordship.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention WC number 400524 for motion, Lordship.
Okay.
Next week, Lordship.
9th.
Updates.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention WPC 3589 of 24. Lordship, it was last listed on 22/7. Lordship,
Okay. 11 December.
11.
My please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 22 of today's list for
Yes.
adjournment for today, my Lordship.
22.
22.
You are appearing on behalf of?
MP Sharma.
On request made on behalf of MP Sharma, then the counsel for petitioner. List after 1 week.
1 week.
Oh. Okay.
May I please your lordship? I beg to mention listing of two writ petitions. One was listed on July and another was listed in the month of August.
Okay, 13th December.
Obliged, your lordship.
May it please your lordship, my lord. My lord, pending writ petition, my lord. I'm praying for this.
Same day, 13th.
Obliged, my lord.
Please your Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of an contempt petition for orders, Lord.
11th.
11.
May I please mention for listing of a pending writ petition hearing, Lordship, it is in the hearing stage. And hearing day, Lordship.
Okay, 10th December.
Obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention for listing of an implement, my Lord, on Friday, my Lord.
Friday will be difficult.
A similar series of matter already pending, my Lord, before this honorable court, my Lord.
When is it listed?
My Lord, it was fixed on 4th of December, my Lord.
Oh.
But it was a new case, my Lord, since they were the other side may take time for filing objection. That's why, my Lord, I'm sitting on Friday, my Lord.
Let it come up on 4th only. We will see.
Because on, my Lord, 4th, my Lord, the respondent may take time for filing objection, my Lord. Other matter
What
already.
is the idea about?
I for implement in the writ petition, my Lord, as a private respondent, my Lord.
Oh, that will, if they want to take time, they'll take time. I'll implement your thing and issue notice.
My Lord. Obliged.
Item 1 of daily list, motion.
May it please your Lord. Lordship, the issue raised in this writ petition by the writ petitioner is that, my Lord, her area salary has not been paid by the respondent authority. And on 3/6/2024, my Lord, some instructions were sought from the respondent counsel.
Lordship, the salary they have raised, your Lordship, that is 2001 to 2021, your Lordship. So kindly in this matter, your Lordship, notice may issue.
Okay, heard, Mr.
Yes, Upadhyay.
Ovadia and the counsel for the petition. Issue notice. MS PDAS, Leonard, Standing Counsel, Secretary Education Department. Appears for respondents 1, 2,
1, 2, 4, and 5.
1, 2, 4, and 5. And finance, Mr. A. Chalia, Leonard, Standing Counsel Finance, appears for the respond number 3. Respondents are complete. However, extra copies. Respondents are allowed to file affidavit. List after 3 weeks.
3 weeks copy, extra copy, Miss.
I'll serve with you. I'm deeply obliged.
Deeply obliged.
2.
May I please your Lordship. Lordship, petition pertaining to Lordship provincialization of the service of the petitioner, Lordship. Lordship, initially the petitioner was
In this
appointed.
case, my lord, as per the last order, they have perhaps not filed, served the extra copies, my lord. That's why I'm not.
Have you served a copy? Extra copy?
Sorry, my lord. Sir. Lordship,
My
today
lord,
itself,
please
Lordship.
stop
I
it,
will, I will. Lordship, I will tell sir today itself, Lordship.
Then I'll issue notice.
My lord, may issue
My
notice.
lord, my lord, prayer is a simple, my lord. My lord, the service of the petitioner, the lordship was not a provincialist on the ground that the petitioner did not complete her professional lordship course lordship. And she has completed her professional course lordship, that is space lordship. Kindly say page 38 and extra 8 lordship.
Okay, you take instructions, sit here and come back. You will serve a copy.
Yes,
Mr.
yes, sir.
S. Ali Lana, counsel for the petition, shall furnish an extra copy of the writ petition to MSSTTL and its standing council elementary education within the course of the day. Stop. On request made by MSSTTL, the standing council elementary education department. When do you want? 1 week?
Fine.
This the matter on today's 6th December to enable her to visit. You furnish a
Yes,
copy,
Lordship,
otherwise
Lordship,
next time
yes,
I'm going to issue
yes,
notice.
Lordship.
3. Item 3 and 4, Lordship, they're both a similar matter. Here I have received the record, Lordship, but I need some clarification from the. So matter may kindly fix on Friday. At that day, I will produce the records along with the.
Friday. Friday is what date? Friday is what date?
Friday 29th, Lordship.
How many cases are listed on Friday?
My lord, it will be taken up on Monday, my lord.
Oh, yes, Monday.
If Monday, my
Yes,
your
yes.
colleague may clarify the issue, my lord,
Monday, Lordship, next Monday.
because I have also urgency, my lord, in this matter, my lord.
No, hold. Record to here, Monday, Lordship.
Monday, it
Okay.
will be taken.
Heard, Mr.
I mean,
I am
I'm-
still in the council of the petition. On request made by SMT Chisti, Learner Standing Council Secretary Education Department. List on 4th.
Both item 3 and 4.
3 and 4, my lord. Interim is there in both matter, my lord. That will be
Order passed earlier. to
That will be
continue
continued.
till the next returnable date.
Monday,
Same
will-
order, item 4.
continued, my lord.
Same.
5,
Already, my lord, similar matter is pending before the small court. And your lordship protect it, my lord. And
Yes, Bhuya.
Lots of notice may be issued and similar order.
Heard, Mr.
orally.
R. Ali, Learner Council. Issue notice. Mr. S. Bhuya, Learner Standing Council, Higher
Higher-
Education.
Not two. All 1, 2 and 3.
Appears on behalf of all the respondents. Notice on respondents accompany, however, extra copies. Respondents are allowed to file their affidavit. Leave the matter after 4 weeks
Lordship. Sorry.
into entry. The show cause notice. Where is that show cause
Case 46, my lord. Same, my lord.
dated?
15-6, my lord, in the bottom.
2024. Issued by the Director of Higher Education Assam to the petitioner. Shall remain suspended till the next returnable date.
Developed.
6,
May please, Lordship. Lordship, matter is pertaining to law, compensation appointment, Lordship. Lordship, here I am challenging one, Lordship, office memorandum, Lordship. Annexure 9, page 49, Lordship.
That
This similar matter is pending, Lordship.
office memorandum,
Yes, Lordship.
page 42.
Page 49, Lordship. 18 September 2024.
Yes, who appears? See, I think you'll have to take a look into this office memorandum.
Yes, sir.
So far, beyond 31/3/2017, that's fine. You've already got the what you call the compassionate family pension.
Yes.
But prior to 31/3/2017, that something is wrong. You can instruct your clients to have a relook into this office paper. I'm not saying anything now, but you'll have to have a relook. Just a gap. Third, Mr.
Jai Hatimuria.
J. Hatimurial and the council could issue notice. Mr. You appearing for
I'm for,
state level committee also?
yes, your lordship.
B. Deoril and the government advocate appears for the respondents. 1,
1,
3,
3, and
Five.
5.
1, 3, and 5. And Mr. P.K. Boral and the standing council, elementary education department, appears for 2, 4, and 6. Notice on respondents are complete. However, extra copies. Respondents are allowed to file affidavit. List of the 4 minutes.
7,
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, another similar case is there. In that case, notice has already been issued.
What is this matter about?
My lord, regarding lordship, seniority, time scale, and annual increment, lordship.
Okay.
My lord,
We'll issue notice.
my lord.
Have M. Khan and the council. Issue notice. Mr. B.K. Boral and the standing council elementary education appears for respondents. 1, 3, 4. And Mr.
Choliha.
A. Chalial and the standing council finance appears for the respondent. Notice of respondents accomplished. However, so.
My lord, this matter may be tagged with another matter, WBC number
After 4 weeks, along with WBC number
6064 2024.
6064.
Bless.
8,
May it please, your lordship. Lordship, petitioner before your lordship is a science teacher, my lord, of a Miss School, my lord. And the respondent number 6 and 7. 6 is the headmaster and 7 is assistant. They are teaching language. That is page 32. That is the application format submitted by the headmaster himself, respondent number 6. Serial number 1, my lord, Rabindranath Mondal.
Yes. Respondent.
Page 32.
Respondent.
Respondent number 6. Serial number 1, Rabindranath Mondal. So that is his subject of, my lord, right hand column, Assamese, ASS. Then serial number 2, Deepankar Nath. He is the respondent number 7. Assistant teacher, English. So both are language, my lord. This is the headmaster himself submitted. Thereafter, page 38.
Where's your name?
My name is Shahjahan Ali. Serial number 5. 80 BHC. Subject of science and mathematics. So I am the BHC science teacher. Page 38 is the recommendation of district scrutiny committee.
1 minute.
Page 39 relevant portion.
1 minute. 1 minute.
That list, the headmaster himself submitted before the scrutiny committee.
So here,
my lord, page 38, 39 is the relevant. Column number 6, my lord. Details of tutor eligible for provincialization. Rabindranath Mondal, he is the respondent number 6. Subject of language. Then Deepankar Nath, respondent number, he is respondent number 7, 80, language. So both have been recommended as language. And I am recommended as serial number 4, Shahjahan Ali Sheikh. My lord, got it?
maths and science.
Maths and science. Thereafter, they have provincialized, now page 42.
42.
42.
Oh.
This is the provincialization, Deepankar Nath, my lord. Name of the appointee, designation, tutor, science. He is not even recommended by the district scrutiny committee. He is recommended as language, but the respondent authorities, they have provincialized his services, science tutor.
That is respondent 7, isn't that?
My lord, respondent 7, my lord.
Oh.
7, he has been recommended by district scrutiny committee as
And
language.
how about respondent 6?
Respondent 6 also language. He is still, he
So
is,
what grievance you have against
I
respondent?
have two language has been provincialized.
No. Two language were recommended by the district scrutiny committee. Correct.
My lord.
So if the senior most is to be considered,
Senior,
it
so
is
among them-
respondent number 6.
Six.
Number 7 came and took your place.
Same took my place
Correct, as a science teacher.
as a science teacher.
So if there's a grievance, you have a grievance against respondent number 7 only.
7 only, but why I have, because two teacher tutor of language provincialized, that is why I have made.
After that, what happened?
After that, my lord, I have approached this honorable court, page 45. Passed an order to dispose of my appeal, but that,
1
that
minute.
page 45.
Yes.
In terms of the, I have filed an appeal, page 48, my lord. That is not, that is pending, my lord. Page 48.
Okay, you filed your appeal.
Appeal, my lord.
Where's your,
Page
then
48, my lord.
has it been considered?
No, not my lord. So at this respect, my lord, may also be disposed of to dispose my appeal, my lord.
Oh, you're praying for disposal of your appeal. When did you file your appeal?
I have filed on 10/8/22.
Why are you coming after 2 years?
My lord, I am waiting, my lord, because
Yes, Fukan, consider the appeal.
Yes, direction will be given.
What Mr. M.R. Kandakar, learned counsel for the petition, as well as MS and Fukan, learned standing counsel
1, 2, 4, and 5.
elementary education for the respondents 1, 2,
4, and 5.
4, and 5. And Mr. Theory, learned government advocate for the respondent number 3. Stop. Para. The petitioner was initially appointed as science teacher by the school management committee of Biratnagar Charyali MS School under Block Elementary Education Officer Golagans, to which post he or she he joined on 27/5/2008. Stop. Para. In the meantime, the state government enacted the Assam Education within bracket provincialization of services of teachers and reorganization of educational institutions close bracket Act of 2017. Hereinafter referred to as 2017. Just say, don't say here, no, within bracket, the Act of 2017 in short. Stop. As the petitioner fulfilled all the eligibility criteria for provincialization of his service in terms of the Act of 2017, comma, the District Scrutiny Committee Dhupri, after verification, recommended the case of the petition for provincialization as tutor
as math and science.
within bracket maths and science. Stop. The case of the respondent number 6 was also recommended for provincialization as a tutor within bracket language. And the respondent number 7 was also recommended for provincialization as tutor within bracket language by the said committee. Stop. However, comma, the state level committee, the state level scrutiny committee did not consider the case of the petitioner as recommended by the district scrutiny committee, comma, to pre, and instead provisionalize the service of the respondent number 7, isn't it? 7 as a tutor
Science.
within bracket science. Stop. Accordingly, comma, the director of elementary education Assam issued an order on 5th February 2021 provincializing the service of the respondent number 7 as a tutor within bracket science. Stop. It is the case of the petitioner that as he was recommended by the district scrutiny committee for being provincialized as a tutor within bracket maths and science, and the respondent number 7 and respondent number 6 and 7 were recommended for provincialization as tutor within bracket language. The state level scrutiny committee should have considered the case of the petitioner should have recommended the case of the petitioner as a tutor within bracket maths and science. Stop. Stop. Para. Being aggrieved, the petitioner approached this court by filing WBC number 4989/2022, which was disposed of by an order dated 3rd August 2022, directing the petitioner to file an appeal under Section 14 of the Act of 2017 before the Secretary of Elementary Education Assam, Elementary Education Department Assam within a period of 15 days from the date of passing of the order. It was further provided that the Secretary to the Government of Assam, Elementary Education Department, on receipt of the appeal, shall hear the petitioner as well as the respondent number 7 therein in person and pass appropriate orders in accordance with law within a period of 2 months. Stop. Para. It is submitted that the petitioner accordingly filed his appeal before the Secretary to the Government of Assam, Elementary Education Department on 10/8/2022. However, comma, the said appeal filed by the petitioner is yet to be considered and disposed of, and accordingly has preferred the present writ petition for a direction to the respondent number or to the Secretary to the Government of Assam Elementary Education Department / respondent number 1 to dispose of the same within a specified period of time. Stop. Para. MS Enfocan, Standing Council Elementary Education Department, has no objection if a direction is given to the respondent number 1 for disposing of the appeal filed by the petitioner within a specified period of time. Stop. But accordingly, this writ petition is disposed of, directing the respondent number 1 to consider the appeal filed by the petitioner on 10/8, 10/8,
10/8/22.
10/8/2022. What did I say? Respondent was directed to and dispose of the same by a speaking order and in accordance with law. After hearing the petitioner as well as the respondent number 6 and 7 in person within a period of 1 month.
2 months.
1 month. She filed it in 2022. Within the period of 1 month from the date of receipt of a certified true copy of this order. Stop. With the above observations and directions.
I'm deeply aware.
9.
May I please, your lordship? The petitioner in this case, who was appointed as an assistant teacher arts in the high school under Sunitpur district, my lord, and he was eligible under 2011 Act, my lord. Thereafter, that is 11 Act, my lord, and annexure 2, where the minutes of the meeting of the secondary education Assam, at page 24. Page 24, this is type copy, my lord. Assam in connection with the scrutiny of B form, wherein it was stated in 4, page 25, 150 numbers of employee are found eligible for provincialization of their services as assistant teachers. The sectional decided to submit proposal for creation of 152 posts, numbers of posts, where the petitioner name was reflected. I have annexed type copy 27 and 29, where the petitioner name was there. Joy Kumar De.
Page 29.
29, assistant teacher.
Second last column.
Second last column, my lord, where it was stated eligible.
Was the petitioner Vijay Kumar?
Vijay Kumar De, but his service was not provincialized under 2013 Act. But he still continue from
2013 Act?
2011 Act,
Earlier Act.
earlier Act, my lord. Thereafter, again, his service was he was eligible under 2017 Act, but his service again he was lectured from provincialized. Thereafter, he and along with some similarly situated person approached before this court by filing a writ petition, where this writ petition was disposed of, my lord, with a direction, that is paragraph page 36. May I read, my lord? So and so. In this connection, the petitioner are claiming for provincialization of services as assistant teacher, sectional teacher in the respective school. It has been stated that the claim of the petitioner can be considered by passing appropriate order in terms of the order passed by this court, WPC number so and so, which was disposed of on 3/10/2018 by this court involving similar nature of case. Petitioner claimed that the cases of the petitioner were considered by the High Power Committee are found to be eligible order for regularization. In view of the above, the present petition is disposed of with a direction to the respondent authority, more particularly the respondent number 1 and 2, to examine the claim of the petitioner in the light of the decision rendered in a aforesaid writ petition. And if it is found that the petitioner are similarly situated, relief of provincialization will be granted to the petitioner with effect from 2013 when the school was provincialized, which exercise shall be undertaken within a period of 3 months from the date of receipt of the certified copy. Thereafter, the commissioner and secretary prepared a list of 414 of teachers found to be eligible for provincialized, where the petitioner name was reflected.
It is without signature.
Yes.
Without signature, but that list, I will furnish a.
Anyway, in this case, notice should go. We have to take it back or not.
My lord, and similar, but their name was their service was not provincialized due to that their name was not inclusion in the U-Dias code in the 2015, 16, 17. But in high school level, U-Dias code is not required, my lord. And their that is the reason that their service was not provincialized. And in this region, a similar case was filed by this similarly situated person in the same list that was disposed of by this court, my lord. That is annexure 654, my lord, where it was stated that the petitioner where it was stated in 58 that where it was paragraph 9, it was stated the petitioner admittedly are working in a higher secondary school. And in terms of the provision of the 2017 L, the name of the teacher working in Venture High School or Venture Higher Secondary School are not required to be captured in the Dias code or any Dias code, my lord.
Where were that?
Page 58, para 9.
Para 9, my lord. So their service is still not provincialized as their name was not included in the U-Dias code for the period of 14, 15, 16, 14, 15, 16, my lord. That is the reason. But still they are working and their name was captured in the U-Dias code from 21 onwards. So the lordship may be kindly dispose of the matter in the
No, at this stage notice should go. I have to take instruction, lordship.
You want to take it?
Yes, of course, lordship. Notice should go.
But MS a budget world and the concept issue notice. Mr. SMT Chishti, standing counsel.
Secondary 1, 2, and
Secretary Education appears for the respondent.
112, lordship. Hey, going to
Mr. V. Deori, learner government advocate, appears for the respondent number 3. Extra copies of writ petition. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the respond number 5 by registered proceeding within 1 week.
Lordship, item number 14 is saying district is different. 14 is same.
Item?
14, 1-4. And district is different, my lord.
Okay, district, I've not mentioned the district. The respondents are the same.
Same. Only headmaster is different. There is a number of them. But in that case, the petitioner number is 8, my lord. And therefore the headmaster of the school of the
Oh no, here there are a lot of respondents and third MSA Bazubaral and the council for the petition. Issue notice, Mr. SMD Chistil and the standing council secretary education appears for respondents 1, 2, and 4.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. V. Deori and government advocate appears for the respond number 3.
And 5 to 7 is the
Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the respondents 5 to 11 by registered proceeding within 1 week from the date, list of the forms. On top, you say extra copies. Huh? Okay.
after some.
10.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, the petitioners are graduate trained teachers and they're presently serving as assistant teachers in LP school, Your Lordship. And they're presently drawing a salary in the payment of rupees 14,000 plus grade pay of rupees 7,400. But after coming into force of the ROP rules 2017, Your Lordship, their payment has been revised to payment 2. That is rupees 14,000 to rupees 70,000 plus 7,400. Now, Lordship, there are other similarly trained graduate teachers who are drawing the salary in the revised pay band, just unlike the petitioners, Your Lordship. And the petitioners, they have same educational qualifications and they are disbursing the same duties and responsibilities just as the similarly other situated graduate trained teachers, Your Lordship.
Okay, notice will go.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Third MS?
N. Mahanta.
N. Mahanda and the council for the petitioner. Issue notice for the petitioner, sir. Issue notice. MSN Fukan, the standing council, elementary education appears for the respondents 1, 2.
1 and 2, my
1 and 2. And Mr. Yep. B. Google and MS B. Barra, Leonard Counsel appears on behalf of Mr. B. Gogol, then the Standing Counsel Finance Department. For the respondent number 3. Notice on respondents are complete, however, extra copies. Respondents are allowed to file affidavit. List of the forms.
Lordship, there's a similar matter. The already notice has been issued. See, may be tagged with this matter, Your Lordship.
List after 4 weeks, along with WBC number
5996 of 2024. 996.
5996 of 2024.
11.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship. I said. My lord, in the petitioner's father died, my lord, on 29/5/2016. And the petitioner is the wife of the deceased. But she has filed, my lord, in page 21, annexary on 27/7/2016, after died, my lord.
Page?
She applied. Along with 20, page 20, that is she filed a representation, my lord. Page 19, my lord. Inspector school, my lord. Along with the standard form, my lord. But till today, Inspector school has not sent the matter to the district level committee, my lord. She has filed several representation, my lord. In spite of that, he did not pay any heed to it. That is my case, my lord.
Where's your representation?
Representation, my lord. Last one, my lord.
Only today, 2024.
24, my lord, and earlier also.
Earlier when?
Oh, I have not annexed, of course. It is lying there, my lord, not with her, my lord. That is why.
This is the issue 2016 matter. Why you are coming now?
No, actually what happened, my lord, she didn't know, my lord. She doesn't know anything about that. Her name is not sent, my lord. When she, then she filed several
Why are you keeping quiet? Where are the
My lord,
representation?
they are very poor lady, my lord.
That's not an excuse. Where are the representation?
Since, my lord, inspector of school has not sent any
Yes, Rabba.
My lord, may I take
instruction, then, my lord, why he has not been filed, send the matter
Let
to the.
MSK Devil and counsel for the petitioner. Stop. The husband of the petitioner, while serving as a grade 4 employee in, what is it? Bibich, Japara
Bibi Jipara High School,
High School. Under which district?
Baksa, BTR.
Baksha. Died in harness on 29/5. The petitioner being eligible. Made an application for appointment on commissionate grounds on
27 July 2016.
27/7/2016. Stop. It is the case of the petitioner that despite several representations being made, the case of the petitioner has not been forwarded by the inspector of schools, BTC Mushalpur,
Yes, my lord.
for consideration before the concerned district level.
Level selecting.
Mr. S.R. Rabba, Standing Counsel, BTC. Praise
Yes,
for
my lord.
2 weeks time?
2 weeks time to enable him to receive this. Praise Allah. List after 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks.
12.
Material loss. This is regarding, my lords, the teacher by kindly see page 31 first. Page 31. 31.
Yes.
Your lordship will find this order of provincialization of about my lord in pursuance of so and so and in accordance with the provisional content so and so, the provincial of service of 3,309 tutors against 1,698 of Bencher LP schools and 6,586 tutors against so and so of upper primary school. I belong to the upper primary school. In terms of this matter, page 33 kindly say, madam. My service was provincialization. As tutor,
Page
page 33.
33.
Three,
Okay.
Your lordship will find in pursuance of accordance with so and so, Governor Assam is pleased to provincialize service of the following person. My name is there as a designated tutor, and it will come into the effect from my lord 1st January 2021.
Where is that?
Order is dated my lord 5th February 21. Your lordship got it, man.
Yes.
My name is there, my lord.
Where's the effective date?
Effectively, third line of the first paragraph, my lord.
Okay.
With effect from 1st January.
Wow.
Then it was challenged. This honorable court passed an interim order. Subsequent interim order was vacated. And your
Where's
lordship
the-
will find
where's
the
the- where's
matter was
the-
remanded to the authority concerned, madam. Your lordship will find page 40.
One minute.
Yes.
Your provincialization was challenged.
Challenge.
Then it was.
Then page 41, your lordship. Ultimately, it was remanded back to the authority concerned because there is a question of fact to be decided. Page 41, your lordship will find. I come to your lordship to paragraph, my lord, your page 45, page 45.
Yes.
45, paragraph 9.
Okay.
So question of fact is remanded. Then you'll also find page 47. 47, that this is Scrutiny Committee decided page 48, decisions, my lord. Page 48, decision, second paragraph, your last part. The DSC has cancelled the recommendation of the then DSC, namely Mujammil Hussain, and recommended the name of Mainul Haq, who taught social studies in place of Mujammil Hussain, who taught language.
1 minute. There are two decisions here.
Yeah. One idea there is a recommendation, my lord, because headmaster, because both are related to each other.
You're reading on page 48.
Page 48, my lord, decision, second paragraph.
No, there are two decisions.
Oh, first decision, my lord.
First decision.
First decision.
Okay.
The DSC has, your lordship got it, my lord. First decision.
Okay.
The DSC has cancelled the recommendation of the then DSC, namely so and so, and recommended the name of the Mainul Haq, present petitioner, who taught social studies in place of so and so who taught language. Question was, my lord, teacher, it is not seniority. Basis is who is, my lord, teaching which subject. In the upper ME school, my lord, normally is one science teacher, one language teacher, one arts teacher, and one social studies. This petitioner is, my lord, has been teaching social studies since his joining 2007. So this was, my lord, that recommendation was made in my favor. This was now cancelled without hearing. This was cancelled, page 54. This is the imperial order, man, page 54. This recommendation was cancelled. Not considered, they have written, it cannot be considered, man. Page 54. But reason they have given, but you have not submitted specific reasons for recommendation of two language teacher and non-recommendation of petitioner by the RDR DC. In spite of that, you have submitted the recommendation of in support of the petitioner for provincial service as per. So recommendation of the petitioner by DSC minute 29.1, which just now your lordship had read, madam. 29/1/24. That is 29/1, my lord, it is page 47. For provision cannot be considered. So my prayer at this stage, my lord, since there is no 5/8 for a matter, I am not praying for stay also, my lord. Let the notice go, the short date may be given, my lord. That is my prayer at this stage. Because
Yes, ma'am. Let notice be issued.
well, only short date, my lord, because this person is having a provision at 21, no benefit till today, my lord, because of
Okay.
this or that reason.
But Mr. H.R. Chowdhury, the senior counsel, assisted by MS B. Burman, and the counsel.
More 1, 2, or 3.
Hmm?
1, 2, or 3.
1, 2, and
There's a private respondent,
No, that's the headmaster.
headmaster, my lord.
Mr. B. Kaushik, Leonard, standing counsel, elementary education, appears for respondent,
1, 2, and 3 million.
1, 2, and 3, and district,
District
Uh,
B,
oh,
Deori, my lord.
oh, this is
government,
Government, B, Deori.
Mr. B. Deori, Leonard, government. Appears for the respondent number 4. So, extra copies of the petition be furnished.
within 2 days.
Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the respond number 5 by registered post AD within 1 week from today. Respondents are allowed to file their affidavit. List after 4 weeks.
Obliged.
13.
My lord, the petitioner was appointed as a grade 4 employee on 24/2/2006. Annexure 1, my lord, page 27.
Annexure,
Thereafter, yes, my lord.
annexure 1.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
He was appointed temporarily, but against the permanent vacancy, permanent post, my lord. Thereafter, he joined on 25/2/2006.
Hmm.
And his service, temporary service was continued until further order. Annexure 2, my lord. His service was allowed to be continued until further order. And he was paid salary from the month of April, May, and March, April, May, 4 months. First, at the beginning, he was paid full pay and allowances for 4 months. Thereafter, his pay was stopped for no reason, no any reason, no any notice, no anything. But he was allowed to continue service, my lord. Thereafter, more than 15 years, he was not getting salary. But
You are serving a school without getting salary for 15 years.
yes, my lord. But he was allowed to continue.
Hmm.
And there was communication, there was contact with the authority concerned. Inspector of schools asked him to continue service, then order was ordered. And later on, my lord, the petitioner preferred a read petition here. Number 7751. My lord, annexure 11A. 11, there is the order, my lord.
Page.
11A, page 44 and 46. And by this order, my lord, this honorable court directed the responsible authority to pay his salary. Annexure, my lord. Annexure, my lord, page 44. Annexure 44. Here in the last, the operation part of the order, my lord, I am going to read. If the petitioner has been appointed as a grade 4 employee, as claimed by him, and rendering his services till that, the respondent's authority will verify the said claim and make necessary payment for the service rendered by him in accordance with law. Its exercise shall be completed by the respondent authorities within a period of 3 months. from the date of receipt of a certificate copy of this order. In order to expedite the process, the petitioner may furnish a copy of this petition along with a certificate copy of this order to the concerned respondent authority, my lord. Accordingly, my lord, the petitioner petitioner send a copy of the certificate copy along with a copy of the petition itself, my lord. Thereafter, the authority remains silent, but by Annexure 12, my lord, Annexure 12, page 47, by this letter, the Additional Secretary to the Government of Assam Education Department directed the Director of Secondary Education to arrange or to make payment or the petitioner. My here in it also in this condition, I am reading it important page, my lord. In this connection, the matter has been consulted with the Judicial Department.
Okay, that I've read.
And the Judicial Department in their endorsement dated 9/2/2021 has stated that on verification, the claim of the petitioner has been submitted. And since the petitioner discharging his duties, the department should arrange for release of his salaries in due compliance of the order dated 25/10/19.
Okay, I've gone through, yeah. After this, what happens?
So, my lord, thereafter the petitioner is paid salary from the from my lord 31/1/11/2021. He has been paid for paid salary from 1/11/2021. But the remaining period from 1/7/2007 to October 31st, 2000 was not paid. The remaining period has been left as area.
So you are praying for arrear salary.
My lord, sorry. But in order, there is no area, there is no difference between area or current, my lord. The authority has made it current area, and this amount has not been paid till then. My lord, already Honorable Court has passed the order to pay salary. There is no any difference between area or current salary in the order of this Honorable Court, my lord. So salary is already to pay salary is the order of this Honorable Court. My lord, now this Honorable Court may kindly be pleased to rule and issue a rule directing the already there is order, my lord, to pay salary. So the remaining amount should be paid.
Yes, you Shama.
Well, in this matter, I have to take instruction regarding that area part, and otherwise he is receiving the current salary.
You are presently receiving the current salary.
My lord,
You are receiving the current salary.
yes. The current I have received, my lord, only area
You are continuing to receive. You are still you're getting your current salary, correct?
Yes, yes.
Except that area
Continue.
salary from 1/7/2007
yes.
to 31/10/2000.
1/7/2007 to 1/11 to we have received 13/10/2011 and 21, and thereafter I have not received.
Okay.
Current is being received, my lord.
Heard, Mr.
Sharon Deka.
C. Deka, then a council. Stop. Para. The petitioner was appointed by an order dated 24/2/2006 issued by the in charge inspector of schools, NTC, Nalbari as a grade 4 employee of Jalkana. What is it? Batwakhana High School
Jalkhana Bhutwakhana, my lord.
against a vacant post of grade 4 with effect from 1 to 2006. The order further stipulates that the appointment is purely temporary and terminable at any time without assigning notice and without notice and without assigning any reasons thereof. Thereafter, comma, by another order dated 7/11/2007, issued by the Inspector of Schools NDC Nalbari, the petitioner was allowed to continue as a grade 4 employee of the said Jalkhana Patholkhana High School until further orders. Stop. It is the case of the petitioner that since his initial appointment, he is continuing to serve as a grade 4 employee of the said, what school was that?
Jalkhana.
Jalkhana Patwakhana
Bhutwakhana.
High School. Stop. However, comma, his stop. Don't say however. The petitioner also received salary for the month of February 2006 to May 2006, correct? Up to May 2006. Stop. However, thereafter, the salary of the petitioner has been stopped. Stop. The petitioner, therefore, filed a writ petition before this court, which was registered as WBC number 7751 of 2018, praying for error salary. Stop. The said writ petition was disposed of on 25/10/2019. With the following directions. Page 45, A to A. Stop. For thereafter, comma, where's the secretary's letter? The additional secretary to the government of Assam, by communication dated 25th August 2021, addressed to the Director of Secondary Education Assam, requested to take necessary action and on the matter and take necessary steps for compliance of this court's order dated 25/10/2019, passed in WBC number 7751 of the 2019, on the basis of an endorsement of the Judicial Department made on 9/2/2021 which stated that on verification, comma, the claim of the petitioner has been admitted. And since the petitioner is discharging his duties, comma, the department should arrange for release of his salaries in due compliance of the order dated 25/10/2019, passed in WBC number 7751 oblique 2019. This will be under inverted commas, from on verification up to 2019, under inverted commas. Stop. But it is the case of the petitioner that thereafter, comma, the petitioner has been receiving his current salary with effect from 1/11/2021 till date. Stop. However, however, the error salary of the petitioner with effect from 1/7/2007 to 31/10/2021 is yet to be paid by the respondents, and hence the present writ petition. You want to take instructions or you want notice to go?
Notice.
Issue
My lord,
notice.
my lord, the order of payment is already made by this law court, my lord. So they may pay it. And also, I have a person, I have to pay under the, this is a very poor petitioner.
Let them
So
get
interim,
notice, let them get
His current,
So,
current salary is.
my lord, an interim order may kindly be considered to give some relief to the petitioner from the authority.
So what type
Against the, against the
what
areas,
type of an interim do you want?
subject to the adjustment from the area pay.
That cannot issue notice. Mr. U. Sharma, London Standing Counsel. Secondary
Secondary education.
education appeals for the respondents.
Respondent number 1, 2, 3, and 5.
1, 2, 3,
1,
4, and 5. No, 1, 2,
1, 2,
4, and 5.
4, and 5.
And MS R. Barwa, Learned Counsel, appears on behalf of Mr.
4 and 5.
B. Gogoi, Learned Standing Counsel, Finance Department. For the respondents, 4, no, for the respondents, 3 and 7. Stop. Extra copies of the petition be furnished. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the respond number 6 by a registered proceeding within 1 week. Respondents are allowed to file their affidavit. List up to 4 weeks. Para. Pendency of this petition shall not be upon the part of the respondents, on the part of the respondents. To consider the case of the petition.
15.
May I plead your lordship? Lordship, petitioner, he was appointed as a Arabic teachers on my lord 1/1/1980, my lord. Thereafter, he was retired on superannuation, my lord, 30/11/22, my lord. And the Government of India Ministry Personnel Grievance of Pensions of Department, my lord, launch is one scheme, my lord, launched. That is, my lord, MSCPS, my lord. Petitioner's name is serial number 3, my lord, but till that he was not
Where's your
received.
serial number 3?
My lord, page 4, my lord. That's orders, my lord, serial number 7, my lord.
Page?
Page 15, my lord. Sorry, my lord, serial number 7, my lord.
Page 51 minutes. Serial 7.
My lord.
Yes. Then?
That, my lord, petitioner filed also representation, my lord, page 16, my lord. But till date, my lord, no response, my lord.
Kaushik, they have already passed an order allowing them to get the MSCPS.
Yes.
Then what's taking you so long? What is happening? What is
Here,
happening?
my lord,
to
the
the
petitioner is approved after the retirement.
No, this order was passed after his retirement.
Yes.
See,
Which
30,
page
10,
15?
30, 10, 2022.
Page, page 15. That is 3/10/2020.
Hmm. That was before his retirement.
My lord. Lordship can direct for disposal of this representation. Page 16.
What is it?
My lord.
Third MS
L Wajida, my lord.
L
Wajida,
Wajida Learned Council L
my lord.
L
L.
L Wajida Learned Council petition. Stop. Or as well as Mr. B.
For all respondents.
The Sunday Council Elementary Education Department on behalf of all the respondents. Is your appointment order? Your appointment order?
Appointment order. Appointment order not enacted.
My lord, service books is there.
Service
my lord.
book is in.
Page 9, my lord. That copy is page 8, my lord.
Appointed in 1/1/1980 and provincialized from 1/1/1986. Page 8, my lord, will find down below, bottom.
The petitioner was initially appointed as what?
Arabic teacher.
As an Arabic teacher on 1/1/1980 in the what school?
Bakari Hawar ME Madrasa oblique ME school, my
Where
lord.
is that? Where can I find that?
Page 12, my lord, will find the name of the school in this first floor.
In the Bakri Hour ME Madrasa. Stop. Draft. The said madrasa was provincialized with effect from 1/9/1986. Stop. The petitioner retired on superannuation on 30/11/2022. Correct. Stop. Prior to the retirement of the petitioner, the block elementary education officer Hailakant, issued an order dated 3/10/2020 in pursuance to an order dated 21/4/2022 of the Director of Elementary Education Assam, allowing in service, retired and expired teaching and non-teaching staff of upper primary schools to enjoy the benefit of the financial upgradation under the MSCPS. Stop. Have you given your undertaking in terms of this order? Read the order, page 15. Second para.
My lord. All the beneficiaries, yes, all the beneficiaries are hereby directed to the submit undertaking. I have no objection to recover excess amount to make you benefits penalty.
Okay, whatever it is, of MSCPS. In the set list, in the set order, dated 3/10/2020. The name of the petitioner appears as serial number 7. Stop. It is the case of the petitioner that till his retirement on 30/11/2022, the respondents have not given the benefit to the petitioner, given the benefit of financial upgradation under the MSCPS as provided in the order dated 3/10/2020. Stop. Accordingly, the petitioner made a representation before the Director of Elementary Education, Assam, oblique respondent number two, praying for release of the benefit of financial upgradation under MSCPS. No, I'm not. You are not correct. Read your representation. You have got your MSCPS. What you're claiming is the area.
I have not got the area of MSCPS from January 2017 to February 2038, man.
I have to change all the orders now.
Hmm.
Oh, okay, just read it out. What did they say? No, the petition was appointed so and so, provincialized, school was provincialized so and so. Huh? And then continue. No. Up above that. Oh, okay. Stop. Drafted, comma. The petitioner received the benefits of the MSCPS from March 2020 to November 2022. Stop. However, comma, the grievance of the petitioner in the present writ petition is that he has not received the error of the MSCPS from January 2017 to February 2020, totaling to an amount of rupees 64022. Stop. That's all. You're praying for area only. What is your prayer in the writ petition? Okay, only the representation.
Mandamus for representation. Disposal of it.
Accordingly, the petitioner made a representation before the Director of Elementary Education, Assam, on 14/5/2024. Praying for release of his area amount under the MSPS from January 2017 to February. Stop. Follow. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner would be satisfied if a direction is given to the respondent to on top of the director say oblique respondent to consider the representation made by the petitioner on 14/5/2024 and dispose of the same by a speaking order within a specified period of time. Stop. Bara. Mr. P. Kaushik, Standing Counsel, Elementary Education Department, has no objection with regard to the prayer of the petition. Stop. Bara. Accordingly, it is with petition directing the respondent to consider the representation dated 14/5/2023 made by the petitioner and dispose of the same by a speaking order and in accordance with law after verification of all necessary documents. Stop. Let such exercise be taken and completed within a period of
8 weeks.
2 months from the date of receipt of a copy of a certified full copy of the order. The above observations in that.
Right. Publish.
16,
65.
Five.
and 16,
Appellate Lordship. So it is matter relating to selection and appointment of grade 4 post of complaint police Lordship. And petitioners appointment was cancelled by the Deputy Director Lordship. This is case 29, annexer 10.
So there was a selection process
Yes, Lordship.
with the advertisement
Advertisement Lordship page
19.
20. Not.
page original 20 Lordship, but there is a type copy 19.
Okay, after this, what happened?
Lordship, thereafter Lordship is applied Lordship and selection was held Lordship. Then thereafter Lordship the Deputy Director annexer Lordship.
In this comparative statement, where is your name?
His name is Lordship.
You applied for which category? You are
Applied under undeserved Lordship.
unreserved.
Undeserved category Lordship.
Yes.
Here Lordship page number 21 Lordship, serial number 4, Orojjuti Bodoloi. You are selected Lordship. Serial number 4.
Serial number 4.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Thereafter Lordship, after selection Lordship, proposal was sent by the principal Lordship to the Director Lordship, but page number Lordship 10. Page number 29, annexer 10 Lordship, the Deputy Director cancelled the selection Lordship. On the want of Lordship, some anomalies on the ground of the Lordship, Rooster Point Lordship. Page 29, annexer 10.
Okay.
So thereafter Lordship, yes, of course, this honorable court Lordship for Lordship, because thereafter again Lordship, after cancellation Lordship, again new advertisement and published Lordship.
There was a issue in the rooster. There
Yes,
was a
Lordship,
the
Lordship,
wrong rooster was published by the principal.
Yes, Lordship, but page number 27, Lordship, the governing body Lordship take a decision Lordship, that since it was applied under the unreserved category Lordship, So his case may be considered as roster point number 7, Lordship. Page number 27. This is the extract copy of the resolution of governing body, Lordship.
So even the governing body has admitted that there was that
Yes.
it was wrongly advertised.
Wrongly advertised, Lordship, but thing is that Lordship, the thing is it was unreserved category, Lordship, and it was early advertised on roster point 3 and 4, Lordship. But it was unreserved category, and roster point 7 also unreserved category, Lordship, and his name may be considered, Lordship.
No. When the advertisement by itself is wrong, how can you claim appointment under the wrong advertisement?
Since Lordship, it was wrong, Lordship, but the governing body, Lordship, requested the director, Lordship, that it may be accommodated under roster point number 7, Lordship.
Maybe that was a request, but then the director said no. Since the advertisement is wrong, we have to re-advertise.
Lordship, because the whole selection process is, Lordship, over. Thereafter, Lordship, his
Now they have
recommended, Lordship.
made the re-advertisement, isn't it?
Yes,
Easy advertisement, Lordship.
In terms of this re-advertisement, can you apply or not?
In this advertisement, I applied, Lordship.
You have applied?
Yes,
Yeah,
applied.
applied.
Then that's all. Nothing much you would do. See, the director's letter is very clear that there's the vacancies for.
Lordship.
They should have advertised under the 13-point rooster, under the 13-point rooster system.
Lordship.
But they have followed the wrong rooster and selected you.
Lordship.
And therefore it has to be
Rooster-
advertised.
It is an admitted position, Lordship. Roster was wrong, Lordship. But thing is that, Lordship, the under 3 and 4, there is unreserved category, Lordship. So, and roster point 7 also reserved for unreserved category. So his name may be accommodated in the roster point 7, Lordship.
Was the rooster point 7 advertised?
Roster point 7 not advertised, Lordship.
Then when the rooster point 7 is not advertised, can you claim for an appointment in an unadvertised rooster point?
Since it was wrong, Lordship, not the same category, Lordship, unreserved category, Lordship. Therefore, Lordship, his name may be.
Even they have also admitted it was under wrong. It cannot be that.
This cannot. You apply in terms of this advertisement. And
Yes.
then,
He has applied also.
you have applied.
He had applied, Lordship.
Then instead of getting a dismissal order, you withdraw. There's no point in pursuing this.
No withdrawal, Lordship.
I'll give you liberty to file a petition. It's late that time. Mr.
A not, Lordship.
A not under counsel for the petitioner. Press for withdrawal of this petition with liberty to file a petition. Mr. Tabindal and the standing counsel appears for the higher jurisdiction. Writ petition is dismissed on withdrawal with liberty as effective.
17.
May it please your lordship. Well, a petitioner before your lordship, my lord, is basically aggrieved by the seniority list prepared by the principal, my lord, as well as an order, my lord, dated 6/7/2024, issued by the inspector of school, my lord. Now, my lord, here in this case, my lord, the petitioner, my lord, initially was appointed, my lord, as an assistant teacher on 6/12/1999 at the Bhavanipur SS school, my lord, and he had joined on 17/12/1999. In the year 2001,
1 minute. You are appointed by which order?
my lord, 2/4 prayer, my lord. Here, my lord, first of all, my lord, is seniority list, my lord. Prepared by the
No,
principal.
that's why your appointment order.
Appointment order, my lord, your lordship will find at page 15, my lord.
No.
Now, my lord, by this order, my lord, petitioner is appointed, my lord, as a state teacher of the Bhavanpur Higher Secondary School, my lord. Therefore, my lord, what happened, my lord, in the year 2001, my lord, the respondent number 5, my lord, on Purvananda Das, my lord. He was transferred, my lord, at his own request, my lord. And in the transfer order, my lord, it was mentioned that he cannot claim seniority over the existing teaching staff, my lord.
Give us the
The-
transfer order.
My lord. The transfer order, my lord, your lordship will find at page 20, my lord. This type copy, my lord. May I read, my lord? In his own request, Sri Purvananda Das, Hindi teacher, Uttar Barbata High School, is hereby transferred and posted at Bhawanipur HS School in his grade and scale of pay with immediate effect. Against the post High Sri Reenanath, Hindi teacher, transferred. He cannot claim the seniority over the existing staff of the school, my lord. Now, my lord, he was transferred. This order was issued, my lord, on 31st of May 2001, my lord. Ultimately, my lord, he had joined, my lord.
When did you join?
Well, I have joined, my lord, on 17/12/1999, my lord.
This is order is dated.
Page 15, my lord. Page 15 is the appointment order, my lord.
What date is this order?
Yes, my lord. This order, my lord, kindly memo number, my lord. Here, my lord. Page 15, my lord. Is a translated type copy. Translated, not type copy.
Okay. Tell me, then after that, what happened?
Now, my lord, that respondent number 5, my lord, Purvananda Das, he was transferred to this school, my lord, at his own request, my lord. Ultimately, my lord, he cannot be senior than me, my lord, because he is 2001, my lord.
Hmm.
Now, my lord, the principal, my lord, page 24, your lordship will find, my lord, the seniority list, my lord. This type copy, my lord,
Page?
page 24, my lord.
Uh,
Now, kindly turn to page 25, my lord. Here, my lord, the Purvananda Das, my lord, the respondent number 5 was placed at serial number 3, my lord. And Sanjay Kumar Talukdar, the present petitioner, my lord, was placed at serial number 4, my lord.
Hmm.
Now, interestingly, my lord, what happened, my lord? On the retirement of the said principal, my lord, the petitioner was earlier entrusted the charge of inside said principal, my lord. Subsequently, my lord, the impugned order, my lord, kindly come to page 32, my lord. That charge was handed over to one Ashok Das, my lord. He was far junior than me, my lord.
Hmm.
Before that, my lord, kindly come to page 31, my lord, whereby I was entrusted the charge, my lord. Being senior, my lord, I was entrusted the charge, my lord. Subsequently, my lord, that order was cancelled and 32, this order was passed, my lord. And
Who's this Ashok Das?
Ashok Das, my lord, now he is the in charge principal, my lord, of the said school, my lord.
Where is his seniority?
My lord, his seniority place, his seniority, he was placed as serial number 6, my lord. Sorry, serial number 5, my lord.
Hmm.
Page 25.
Okay, so you agree with the seniority list?
As well as, my lord, this order, my lord. Page 32, my lord. Order dated 6/7/24, my lord. 23, my lord.
Who retired?
My lord, the retired teacher, my lord, head in charge headmaster, my lord.
Who's the in charge headmaster?
In charge principal, my lord. Just a minute. Yes. See, Anjan Kumar Mishra, my lord. Page 28, my lord. Page 28, my lord. Here, this is a letter, my lord. Page 28, my lord. With reference to the subject cited, I have the honor to inform you that Anjan Kumar Mishra, in-charge principal of Bhawanipur SS School, will be retired from service by superannuation on 36/2024, my lord. In this connection, he had submitted the seniority list containing 12 numbers of teaching staff for placing.
Where's the name of Anjan Kumar Mishra in this seniority list?
Anjan Kumar Mishra, my lord, his name was not there, my lord, because, my lord, he was retiring, my lord.
Probably he has prepared the seniority.
Yes, my lord, he has prepared the seniority.
Then above you, there are again two persons.
My lord, those persons did not have the qualification, my lord. They have not possessing B.Ed qualification, my lord.
Yes, Gunajati and Pratibha.
Yes, they did not possess the qualification B.Ed, my lord.
Okay.
So that is why, my lord, the insurance principal was earlier interested with me, my lord. Now, my lord, it said it was interested to Ashok Das, my lord, by the inspector of school, my lord.
Yes,
My lord, notice may be issued as the private person is involved here, my lord. No.
okay. Third is Haq Learner Council. Issue notice. Mr. U. Sharma, Learner Standing Council, Secondary Education Department. Appears for respondents.
1, 2, and 3, my lord.
1, 2, and 3. Stop it. Extra copies. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the respond number.
4, 5, and 6.
Who is this principal in charge?
My lord, the respondent number 6, my lord, Ashok Das is also he is the principal in charge, my lord.
No.
No, my lord, since my lord, he is interested the charge, my lord, so I have let him part him by name.
Take steps for service of notice on the respondents 4, 5, and 6 by registered proceeding within 1 minute. Respondents are allowed to file up the list of the folders.
My lord, date may kindly fix, my lord.
I'm issuing notice at this stage. It will come up.
My lord.
18.
Obliged, my lord.
Stipendiary teacher, my lord, regarding pension, old pension, and coordinate bench of the Honorable Justice, my lord, the Borua, my lord, has already passed the allowing. My lord, as this stage notice may go, my lord, and fix a date, otherwise the matter is not. Your lordship, another case, your lordship issue notice, my lord. They are appointed as a stipendiary teacher, my lord. And there is a condition that, my lord, after completion of basic training, they have to give the scale of pay.
But Mr. N. Bora, Learned Counsel for the petition. N. Bora. Petition notice. Mr. B. Kaushik, Learned Standing Counsel, Elementary Education, appears for the respondents 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1 to 5.
1 to 5.
And MS R. Barwa, Learned Counsel, appears on behalf of Mr. B. Gogoi, Learned Standing Counsel, Finance Department, for the respond number 6. Notice on respondents are complete, however, extra copies. Respondents are allowed to file affidavit. List up to 4 weeks.
Well, that may be fixed, otherwise earlier case also not listed. Already 4 years
I'm
old.
issuing notice, first day notice.
Well, at least the date may be fixed, otherwise they did not file it. Earlier case also, your lordship issue notice, they did not.
You make a mention after expiry of 4 weeks. I can't fix it at the motion stage.
Fine.
19.
My lord, your lordship has already been passed orders, my lord, that is annexer. I want that order only. Before that, I would like to place, my lord, the appointment letter, that is annexer 1. He was joined 28/11/2005, my lord. Then he joined 1 December, my lord. Next page.
What is it?
He was appointed 28/11/2005, initially as a grade 4.
28/11/2005.
Yes, my lord. Then he joined
As a grade 4.
as a grade 4 employee. Then he in Sapagat HFM Academy High School. Then he joined on 1 December 2005.
Where is that?
The next phase.
Okay.
17.
Then Lordship turned page 19, his approval was there, approval provisionally, my lord, by the inspector school, his post.
How many of you were approved?
That is 28/2/2005.
Only one,
Only one, my
page
lord.
19.
Page 19. Then the school was provincialized 38 August 2013. Page 21. And he was left out. Because one more get for is there, who is senior to me. Then Lordship turned, then in the meantime, school was amalgamated. That is Annexure 25. Annexure 5, 20, page 25.
Amalgamated with?
With Sapoghar ME School. Sapoghar ME School.
You are the amalgamated school or the?
No, no, high school, my lord.
You are the high school.
Yes. Then Lordship, I have mentioned, I have annexed another letter, my lord, written by the director to the inspector school, stating entirely that they want, my lord, they would like to place the all particulars to the district level selection committee. So they want from the inspector school all the documents, my lord. Annexure 8, page 31. But the inspector school did not pay any heed to it. Then I approached, my lord. I approached before this honorable court. This your lordship passed an order. That is lordship page 36.
Huh?
Page 36 is the similar situated person. Your lordship has passed an order. Page 36. I want that order only, my lord.
Can you do it?
He can earlier also, my lord, he was there. Highly obliged. Baki kita now, I'm 90 and 20.
Getting a steno like him, I'm getting a lot of.
20 and 21 also similar.
21 facts.
Same school is different. They, I'll write, my lord. She will write everything. All are similar. 19, 20, 21. 19, 20, 21. That's right. Sabalino.
School was merged.
11 months.
Any amalgamation?
Yes, yes, my lord. Yes, one chapel. Amalgamation to course. No, no, no amalgamation in this.
What is this page? Annexure 5.
Annexure 5.
Upgradation.
Upgradation. It is not amalgam. High secondary. It is upgraded to high secondary. The school was not amalgamated.
Read page 25.
Yes, ma'am. 25.
Your which school?
High secondary school, my lord. Approval of upgradation 45 numbers of school. And our school is Lordship candidate. Kun school is there? That this no. Sound. That is 16, my lord.
Hmm?
16. Page 26.
No. Page 25. Annexure 5.
No, it is actually this space is shared along with this space, my lord. School was upgraded. There are 15 school, my lord. There are 45 school. I have annexed this one only because it is upgraded to the additional class, my lord. It is
Something
written.
is wrong. Annexure. Annexure 5.
Yes,
Page
my lord.
24, my lord.
Page 24.
No, page 25, come to page 25.
Yes, my lord.
This is in order of amalgamation.
Allowed 245 of higher secondary to higher secondary school as contained in the print annexer.
My lord is
A
taking up
in the-
WP 6217.
Oh, I'm on,
6217. 2024.
the first case was 6216.
First case was 6216.
6216.
Okay, no, this is 6218. Give me
Oh.
was
Yes.
6218, item 21 also is same word.
Yes.
Huh? Same.
19, 20, 21, all are same. Same, my lord.
Okay, you give the dates.
Yes, my lord.
You give the facts.
I'll supply.
Instead of amalgamation in these two, there were upgradation.
Upgradation.
No, in the 6218, there's an
There's an amalgamation.
Number.
6217, it's upgradation.
Upgradation.
Okay, upgradation.
23, admission. Twenty-three,
Okay, none appears for the petitioner. List after 2 weeks.
24, 25,
24, 25, I pray for 1 week time, my lord, to obtain instruction.
You've got the instructions.
No, I have not received, my lord, the updated instruction as per the query that was posed by this honorable court, my lord.
Okay, heard Mr.
B.
B.
Kakoti.
Kakoti, learned counsel of the petitioner, or anything made by B. Kaushik.
Let me fix your honor.
Learned standing counsel, elementary education department. List the matter after a week you want.
After a week, sir. Kindly let me fix your honor.
The matter, okay, 11th December,
11.
to enable him to receive instructions.
Yes, my lord.
26,
Meeting outcome to follow. My lord, here SLC meeting was held on 22/11, but outcome of that meeting has not been communicated to me, my lord.
You filed an appeal.
Filed appeal was, my lord, disposed of by holding that I am not entitled. Now, my lord, thereafter, lordship, I was asked to produce certain document in the hearing also, my lord. I was asked to give my correct name by filing an affidavit, my lord, by a gazette notification also, my lord. Here only problem is that, my lord, the petitioner number 1 is, my lord, he is suffering from cancer, my lord, pancreas cancer, my lord. So, lordship, date may be fixed on another.
Next week.
Okay.
It was held on 22nd, my lord.
SLC,
Yes, my lord.
SLSC.
Was there SLSC, my lord. I got the notice which was dated to 12 November. It has been stated that a meeting of state level scrutiny committee has been convened on 22nd 11/2024. So,
Okay, heard
outcome
Mr.
of that-
J. Laskar, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. N.G. Katania, learned standing counsel, elementary education department submits that the state level scrutiny committee has held its meeting on 22nd
22nd 11/2024.
of November 2024. However, he has not been apprised with regard to the outcome of the said meeting. Stop. He therefore prays for a week's time to enable him to receive instructions. Praise the Lord. List on 6th.
Like,
My lord, item number 23, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, as this matter, my lord, well, basically pertains to, my lord, it's not sanctioned.
I've already passed orders.
My lord, I was washroom, so I had missed, my lord. I thought there are some other matters that, my lord, is now.
Give me a cancel it. Yes, what is your case?
My lord, this matter, my lord, pertains to, my lord, special family pension, my lord. Earlier, the Honorable Court, my lord, has passed a judgment, my lord, in favor of the petitioner, directing the respondent to release the special family pension, my lord, to the petitioner, my lord, within 2 months. The judgment, my lord, is at page, my lord, 21, my lord. And operative portion, my lord, will find 31, my lord, page 31. Is operative portion, my lord.
Then after this,
Thereafter, my lord, due to non-compress, my lord, of this water, my lord, on contempt case was filed, my lord. And during the contempt proceeding, my lord, they have stated that that order has been already even complied with, my lord. But that order of intimation was wrong, my lord, because there is not, in fact, there is no actual compliance of this order judgment, my lord. They have just renamed the pension, my lord, in the name of corrigendum, my lord. The corrigendum, your lordship will find, my lord, at page 35, my lord. Here, although it is mentioned, my lord, special family pension, my lord, but in fact, the petitioner was granted the same normal family pension, my lord, not special family pension, my lord. The special family pension comes to the equivalent of the salary, my lord, of her husband, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, petitioner had again approached the director of pension, my lord, on several occasions, and lastly, my lord, had filed a representation, my lord, page 38, my lord, on 19/11/22, my lord. But no action, my lord. Petitioner is still doing same.
this corrigendum, according to you, is not correct.
Not known, my lord, because it is earlier the amount was sanctioned as the family pension, normal family pension, my lord. That amount remains the same, my lord. The special family pension is to be the equivalent of the total salary, my lord, of her husband, my lord. As if
What
he was serving.
what was your husband doing?
My lord, he was the assistant teacher, my lord.
Yes, Chitia.
Last occasion, my lord, several occasions, my lord, the decisions were issued by this court, my lord. And despite of his judgment, my lord, of this court, my lord, order of this court, my lord.
We have submitted the proposal to the director of pension, my lord.
Where?
Case 33. এই 19 2019
8/8/19. Mm-hmm. 8/8/35.
This corrigendum was issued by the director of pension, my lord.
Yes, Deori.
Lordship, perhaps our communication dated 17/2/24. Perhaps maybe in record of Honorable Court, Your Lordship.
17/2/24.
17/2/24. Wherein it says that,
One
Ignore
minute.
them, in this regard, it is to inform you that the family pension case has already been finalized, but the original service book in the respect of the deceased husband of the player could not be traced out. Lordship, may I hand it? So one communication was made to Inspector of School seeking the
Yes. Inspector of Schools, KTC Amingaon. Have you received this letter?
I have to check it, my lord. That communication I have not received.
let my brother produce it before bring it to the notice of Inspector of School and may fix on the next week. Well, I'm handling it.
Was this recorded in the earlier order?
Yes.
Okay.
This order was already recorded on 35/2020.
Then it is for them to, Your Lordship.
After the two occasions, you took time.
35.
But one last chance may be given, my lord.
Okay, heard Mr. Ishaq Learner Counsel for the petition. Mr. B. Deori, Learner Government Advocate, submits that the Director of Pension, Assam, by a communication dated 17/2/2024, has written to the Inspector of Schools, KTC, Amingaon, requesting to submit duplicate oblique reconstructed service book duly authenticated in respect of the petitioner's late husband, along with necessary pay entries, ACPS oblique MSCPS benefits, promotional benefits for taking necessary action towards granting special family pension to the petitioner. Stop. Para Mr. N.J. Kataniel and the Standing Council, Education Department, press for a week's time to enable him to receive instructions as to whether the Inspector of Schools, KTC Amingaon, has furnished the duplicate oblique reconstructed service book of the petitioner's late husband, as requested in the communication dated 17/2/2024. Stop. List on.
6, my lord.
Ninth December.
Upright.
27,
Your Lordship, my lord, in this case, the petitioner has challenged the degree of respondent number 5. So he claims to be passed of BSc examination. Now, Lordship, kindly see his affidavit, page 45.
Whose affidavit?
This respondent number 5.
1 minute.
Page 45. Provisional Dev.
Who appears for BTC? Last time BTC was given time to file counter affidavit. S. Bora.
My lord, these officers of BTC, they are mixing with this person, and a fake degree holder is given the job of headmaster, and in spite of our repeated complaints, proper action is not taken.
Okay.
Officers are also involved in this case, madam.
Where's BTC counsel? You send your junior to catch all of the BTC counsel. We'll take up after some time.
Let it be at 2 p.m., my lord.
No, let him come. Okay, now it's good. Okay,
2.
at 2.
28,
Lordship, the conducting counsel, Mr. A. Chakraborty, is on legs in another court. Kindly after some time, Lordship.
No, here also affidavit was required to be filed.
Additional affidavit, yes, Lordship.
No. Affidavit in opposition.
They filed, Lordship. They
They
wanted to file an additional affidavit, Lordship. And on several occasions, they have taken time to produce the instructions regarding.
Yes, secretary. You asked to file an additional affidavit in opposition.
NJ Khatanier is allotted in this matter. Timing, madam. Just now he is there.
He's standing outside there.
No, he is here.
Yes, Khatania, where's your additional affidavit?
I have received an instruction, madam.
Yes, last occasion, you were given time to file an additional affidavit in opposition on the basis of your instructions.
It is my mistake, madam. I couldn't prepare on time, madam.
So how?
Madam, may fix it on next week, madam. I'll file it.
Okay, let's file.
Date may be fixed, Lordship.
Third MS,
D. Mohanto.
little counsel for the petition. On request made by NJ Khatania and the standing counsel, Secondary Education Department. 1 week time?
Yes, madam.
1 week time is allowed to file the additional affidavit in opposition.
Date may be fixed, kindly.
It's on 11th December.
11th. Much obliged, Lordship.
29,
May I please? It pertains to promotion to the post of in-charge headmaster, madam. Now, madam, the promotion was not being given effect to because of pendency of a criminal case, madam. Now the criminal case, it ended in a final report, madam. Thereafter, the informant filed a Naraji petition, and Naraji petition was also withdrawn, madam. And prior to that, madam, I would like to take your lordship to page 55, madam. 55.
That is the order of the director of secondary schools, my lord. If I may take your lordship to page 56, third paragraph. 56, my lord, third paragraph, the seniority. If I may read it, my lord, paragraph 3. Page 56, my lord. The seniority of Mobidur Rahman in the Pamanbari High School cannot be denied, but due to pendency of judicial proceeding against him before the Honorable Court of CGM Nalbari, he may not be placed as in charge headmaster of the school. However, on acquittal, Mobidur Rahman, assistant teacher, may be allowed to hold the charge of headmaster of the school. Now, it's almost amounts to acquittal, my lord. The final report has been submitted, my lord. They filed a Narazi petition that is been withdrawn. That withdrawal order, my lord, will find at page 67.
Yeah, I've seen.
67, my lord. That is the order of this learner CGM. Since the petition number so-and-so filed by the complainant stating that the principal accused so-and-so has died, as such the complainant is not willing to proceed with the case. Co-accused Syed Mabidur Rahman, this is the petitioner before your lordship, and hence wants to withdraw the case. The result of the case record reveals that the case is at the stage of initial deposition. As the complainant is unwilling to proceed with the case, hence the case is disposed of for want of prosecution. Well, there is now at this stage, my lord, there is no case, criminal case pending against him. So, my lord, there is
I have received the instructions. I have received the instruction from the inspector of schools. Division detail again. Division video. My lord may fix it on after 2 weeks, my lord, I will file an affidavit.
You're not willing to give him the in charge principal?
It is the order of the director, my lord. If he's acquitted, he will be given, my lord.
Because, my lord, the instruction I have received from the inspector of schools, my lord. So, my lord may give some time, my lord, so that I can obtain instruction from the director, my lord.
Page 55 is the order of the director, my lord.
But Mr. P.K. Muniel and the counsel for the petition. On request made by N.J. Khataniel and the standing counsel, Secondary Education Department. When do you want 1 week?
1 week, my lord.
List on 10th of December to enable him to receive instructions.
30.
May please, your lordship. Lordship, this petition is claiming lordship minimum pay scale to the petitioner lordship with effect
Yes.
from. It is a covered matter lordship.
Furkan,
Lordship, this matter, my lord, will be filing our affidavit, my lord. So
you
therefore,
have received instructions.
my lord, till now we are waiting, my lord.
Earlier that
We
it was
have,
submitted, the
we have-
instruction will receive lordship.
Kindly can you check the record, kindly check the previous order, my lord. It's not given, my lord, that we have received it.
On the last occasion, other councillors were represented.
My lord, if your lordship checks the last order, it is some time was taken, but instructions was not given.
Correct.
That is an incorrect statement he's making.
Yes, heard, Mr.
East Taluda lordship.
Standing counsel for the petition. On request made by Furkan and the standing counsel, Elementary Education Department. How much time?
No, 2 weeks, my lord. I'll get
2
my
weeks
instructions.
time is allowed to enable him to file counter affidavit.
A date may be fixed lordship.
List on 18th December.
DPM.
Appellate lordship.
31.
May please, lordship. Even the respondent, my lord, the SCRT department has taken time, my lord. Today, I'm indicating, my lord, the provisional pension of the petition has not been paid, my lord. So, it is 85, my pension paper has been returned by the SG, my lord. On the ground that the gate pay has been wrongly fixed, my lord. It has to be, in their country, it has to be fixed at rupees 7400 instead of, my lord, 8,400, my lord. But 7 pay commission says, my lord, and subsequent notification says, my lord, it should be, my lord, 8,400, my lord. Now, in the meantime, my lord, I am not getting the, my lord, provisional pension also, my lord.
Lordship may grant us 10 days time, Lordship, so that we can inform the SDRT department to at least satisfy the petitioner's claim for the provisional pension, which he is entitled to rightfully, Lordship. So I seek for just 10 days time, Lordship, a short date, so that at least we can look into the aspect of the provisional pension for the petitioner for the time being.
Okay. Third is Potako, Leonard Counsel for the petitioner. Mr. A. Chalia, Leonard Standing Counsel, Finance Department.
Here
Request for 10 days time to enable him to receive instructions with regard to the provisional pension claimed by the petitioner.
may record 2 and 4, Lordship, because SCRT, I'm appearing on behalf of SCRT in this matter, Lordship.
I said Finance Department.
Finance and SCRT, because SCRT has to take the process for the provisional pension, Lordship. So respondent 2 and 4, Lordship, that Finance and SCRT.
Your SCRT also?
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Bigo. He's on legs, but Lordship, he has given me the instruction to appear on his behalf.
Okay, then say Standing Counsel, Finance Department, as well as SCRT.
Lordship.
That's what they
Published.
list after.
10 days, Lord.
And date may fix, मतलब last 1 year, he's not getting the
Give a date after 10 days.
13, 30,
Obliged.
Published.
32, 33.
My lord, I am in 33. It's a very interesting case, my lord. It is my third approach before this honorable court. In selection of a assistant professor in Boroma College, I stood first.
Affidavit and all has come or no?
No, in my case, no affidavit is filed till today.
Lordship, I am entering appearance in item number 33
Oh,
for UGC, item for respondent number 7.
oh.
I pray for 3 weeks time to
No,
file.
UGC has, my lord, this is UGC has, all right, he has a right to file affidavit, but no rule to play, my lord, here.
Okay, anyway, yes, Bora.
My
lord,
what will say, my lord? Apparently, there is error, my lord.
Huh?
My affidavit will not boost my case. Apparently, my lord, if lordship stands to that item number, read petition number 2775, my lord, 2776, my lord. That is item number 32, my lord. Apparently, my lord, the selection process was done by the committee, my lord. There is apparent error, my lord. The person who has been selected, lordship will page to 31, my lord, Kobita Das. His mark is shown as 485. There itself, my lord, the calculation there is error, my lord. It should have been 382. So,
Where?
page 31, my lord. Number 4, Kobita Das, my lord.
Karavi.
Sorry, Korobi Das, my lord.
Oh,
He is given 435.
35.
Actually, when the calculate lordship, it should be 382, my lord. His percentage is shown as 62.1 point. It will go down to 54.57, my lord. She has been selected, my lord. And that cannot be, my lord. There is apparently error, my lord, in the calculation, my lord.
Who appears for this respondent 7?
Respondent 7, none appears, my lord. Service has been, I think service is complete No, also. my lord, I am fast. He has a direction from
And
Mr.
1 minute.
And lordship will turn to the impugn order, my lord, 2611, that is page number 40, my lord. And Korobi Das, because of his highest mark, LBC has been selected, my lord.
Page
40.
64 না 64 হলেও না
Apparently, my lord, there is error, my lord. Lordship, that committee should have given the correct mark. Thereafter, my lord, selection process should have been done, my lord.
according to you, who's the
Look, according to the entire that selection process, my lord, the petition number 33, my lord, that is Dhanasri Kolita, my lord. He secured in page number 30, lordship will see 67%. Real number, page 30, my lord, page real number I got highest, yes, I got highest, my lord, 2 round I came before the honorable court.
67%.
Just because I am not from the BTC area, that's why not been appointed.
that-
Now, my lord, the person below, which is last, my lord, she was appointed and against, she was selected against before this honorable court. It was interfered with by this honorable court, send it back to the director, and now director, they have taken the decision to select another candidate, which is also below me, my lord. So now between the, my lord, BTC and my lord, their tug of war is going on. And my lord, although I am stood fast, my lord, there is a direction from this honorable court. I have not been till today, I have not been appointed. No affidavit in file in any cases, my lord, till today.
Well, initially, the whole calculation is there is error, my lord. Lord will remand back to the issue, my lord. They make a proper calculation, then forward it to the secretary to make a call, my lord. There are two defects, my lord. One is calculation. Second is that the person who is from the British area has been given preference.
Agarwal?
Lordship, those are factual aspects the selection committee will have to decide.
So you want to file your affidavit or not?
Lordship, my affidavit will be limited to the extent as to the eligibility criteria because the UGC rules are to that extent only. But so far as the process is concerned, the selection committee will have to decide on that.
What is your case?
My lord, I stood second in preference, my lord, than the respondent number 7.
What is your name?
My lord, my name is Madhav Sutradhar. It is last base 32. And I have been selected. Here it is written selected and marks secured 55. And private respondent number 7, he secured 55, 54 point something.
No, private respondent 7 is.
Korobidas.
Okay.
My lord. And but she has been appointed and his appointment order has been challenged in my petitions.
Okay.
And because she secured less, that is our case.
Lord will read the last line, no? After that column, my lord, after this Madhav Sutradhar selection. Madhav Sutradhar has been selected and recommended for appointment as assistant professor in Assamese. He qualified PhD degree. The college need PhD degree holder. Only because of PhD degree he has been.
Only on,
but the advertisement there is something different.
On 2 ground I was selected only that I am having the PhD degree and I am within the BTC. And advertisement there is the provision that BTC
Where's the advertisement?
Mine.
Okay, we'll continue at 2.
On earlier round of litigation, my lord, is clearly everything. So, Lord, kindly take up item number 33, my lord. Here is the advertisement, my lord, published for appointment of the assistant professor in Boroma College, my lord. Advertisement, my lord, annexer 1, page 15, my lord.
This is for the post of?
Post of lecture assistant professor Assamese.
Okay.
Serial number 1, my lord. So I appeared in the interview and I stood first. My position is first, my lord. I'm getting highest. I'll come to that. Then that juncture, my lord, it was not been there, not appointed anyone. And then I posed this honorable court, and this honorable court, your lordship passed an order that is page 18, my lord. Page 18, my lord. Third, Mr. T.J. Mohanto Lanet, Senior Counsel Assistant D. Mohanto Lanet, Counsel for the Petitioner, also asked Mr. Gui Google Lanet, Counsel for Higher Education to ensure the Principal Secretary, Boroma College, Boroma District, Paksa, issued an advertisement dated 7/4/2022, which was published in the Assam Tribune, calling for application for filling out vacant sanctioned post of Assistant Professor in Library under UGC scale of pay, along with the admission allowances in Boroma College, Boroma. The petitioner being eligible applied for the approved assistant professor in the assistant in unreserved category. The petitioner claimed that he stood first in the said examination with regard to the post of assistant professor in Assamese and Boroma College. However, the petitioner is apprehensive that some other candidate may be appointed in assistant professor due to the fact that the advertisement under the terms and conditions serial number and it provided that preferences will be given to the candidate belonging to the BTR. In that view of the matter, the present petitioner has been filed. After hearing the learned counsel for parties and no consideration on consideration of the material available on record, it appears that the matter is still pending with the Director Education BTC respondent number 3, who has yet to be taken in a final decision. The apprehension of writ petitioner cannot be a ground for the petitioner to file present petition. Therefore, this court is unable to pass any order in favor of the petitioner. However, the petitioner is directed to make a separate representation before the Commissioner of Secretary of the Government of Assam, Higher Education Department, respondent number 1, and the Director of the Education Board, so. The respondent number 1 and 3 shall consider the case of the petitioner and pass appropriate order, appointment of the assistant professor in Burma College, till the representation consideration. The appointment shall be made to the post of assistant professor in Burma College under unreserved category. With the above definition, this notice. So accordingly, I file a representation, my lord. Then my lord, then your lordship kindly see page 27. Result declared, my lord.
Page
27.
Oh.
That is the after filing to RTI, my lord, I got that. Your lordship kindly see. My name is page 27 as your lordship got it. My name is serial number 5. I got highest mark. I got 67. And the person who was selected, your
1
lordship,
minute. Are you serial number?
serial number 5. Sorry, serial number 6. 6. Serial number 6. আমরা শিকলিতা
Okay.
and the person whose name was my lord, serial number 28, page number 29, getting last, my lord, selected. Page 29, your lordship kindly serial number 28, right hand column, my lord, selected.
This is respond number?
Respondent number, my lord. Respondent really. Yes. So that Madhav Sutradhar, so he was selected. So I challenge this before this honorable court. Then this order passed, my lord, your lordship kindly see page, my lord, annexure 6, page 30, my lord. Page 31.
Yes.
I challenge that, my lord. Heard has your lordship got page 31, my lord. Heard Mr. T.J. Mondal, Mr. Lana Sharma, Council for the College Authority Burma College, Mr. P. Bharaddas, Lana Council for the Pishmana now 6. Madhav Sutradhar, who is that he stated that will be selected by the selection process. Mr. B. Sodhil, Lana Council for the Authority Education Department of the BTCA, Mr. D. Upamoinu, Lana Council for the Respondent, the Higher Education Department of Government of Assam. The petitioner Dhanasi Kolita and the respondent number 6 for Dr. Madhav Sutradhar both participate in the selection process for the post of assistant professor in Assamese in Burma College. As per the advertisement, it is 7/11/2022. Advertisement provided the required qualification would be the as provided of the office memorandum dated so and so. The office memorandum dated so and so among the other provide the educational qualification as expected. These are the qualification prescribed, my lord. And para 3, and regarding the prescribed qualification, make it designable that nowhere it is provided that if any candidate have PhD degree over the above the other qualification, such candidate will be preferred and selected over all the other candidate, even in if he otherwise other candidate in selection otherwise get more mark than that the candidate having PhD degree. But however, as per the consolidated the statement of the presentation and interaction under the signature of the members of the selection committee, this has been provided that the Madhav Sutradhar has been selected and recommended for appointment as the assistant professor in Department of Assamese. He is a qualified PhD degree holder, and the college need PhD degree holder candidate. Upon perusal of the consolidated statement of the mark obtained by the respective candidate, it is noticed that the Dr. Madhav Sutradhar has obtained total mark 55 mark, whereas the petitioner Dhanasi Kolita has secured the average of 67 mark. Admittedly, as per the other candidate selection, it is the Dhanasi Kolita who has secured more mark than Madhav Sutradhar, but the selection committee deemed it appropriate to recommend the Madhav Sutradhar as much as over the above the other qualification of the as also has the qualified of the PhD degree holder. The reasoning given by the consolidated statement as the why Dr. Madhav Sutradhar has been selected and recommended, although he has secured less mark than the other candidate. It is that he has the PhD degree. The college need a PhD degree holder candidate appointment candidate for appointment. When the reasoning is examined as per the provision of the advertisement and office memorandum dated so and so, it is noticed that neither the advertisement nor the prescribed qualification provided by any of the provision of the PhD degree holder would be preferred and recommended appointment over the other candidate, even if such candidate is comparative selection obtain less mark than the other. The reason that the college need a PhD degree holder also cannot have any relevancy to the select and recommendation of the PhD degree holder, merely because of he has PhD degree. As much as it was the need for the employer to college to have only PhD degree holder as the assistant professor, then same should have been specifically provided in the advertisement that the selected ought to have been only among the PhD degree holder to the exclusion of the other, which again would have been subject to the scrutiny whether such a candidate can be condition can be imposed by the empower above the prescribed qualification by the authorities. In view of the above, we are interfering with this petition to the intended extended that as the matter is presently pending before the secretary to the BTC in the education department, the secretary, while carrying out forward the process of approval, shall make note that the advertisement and the terms of the selected did not provide for any special treatment would be given to the PhD degree holder. The college selection authority cannot recommend any selected person, namely because the person is PhD degree holder. More so, a situation when it said the candidate appear to have obtained less mark amongst the candidates who have participated in the selection process. We are not express any view on the other aspect of the selection, and it is for the secretary to take his own decision on his same. But however, the special preference over the others given to the PhD degree holder candidate should not be made basis in any such decision. As also consequent to recommendation of approval that may have been given to the authority shall have no effect. The secretary shall take his own decision and indicate above. The secretary shall do the needful within a period of 1 month from the date of receipt of the certified copy of the order. We did the above, the consideration should dispose of. So that order was not complied with, then I filed a contempt petition. In the meantime, my lord, filed the impugned order, page 36, my lord. Page 36, my lord. Now they selected a candidate, private respondent, my lord, who is getting, my lord, less mark than me, my lord. So that is the impugned order, my lord. Page 36, my lord. Your lordship kindly sees in second para, whereas on perusal of the selection record, it's seen that the Seniority Dhanasri Kolita, who is the petitioner here, who is candidate of the outside BTC area, scoring 67 marks, and Dr. Madhav Sutradhar, who is a candidate of BTC area, scoring 55 marks in this interview. It is also seen that Srimati Korobi Das, who is a candidate of BTC area, scoring 62.14 marks, so and so scoring all of the candidate of the BTC area. Last but one para, my lord. Then where is the view of the above? The selection of Dr. Madhav Sutradhar is to be post of assistant professor in the Department of Assamese Borama College. Borama has been cancelled for having lower mark. Srimati Korobi Das, as well as the observation of the Honorable Guwahati High Court, had order dated so and so, passed in WPC number so and so, Dhanasri Kolita versus State of Assam. And then my earlier, which I have read the order, my lord. Srimati Korobi Das is hereby selected for appointment. So now, my lord, person again, my lord, they have the person who is getting less than me. I don't know why she has been selected. Now this Korobi and my lord, Madhav Sutradhar, my lord, this is that Korobi's appointment has been challenged in other case, my lord. But if, my lord, I am getting first and I am not been selected, and why I am not been selected, just because I am not been, I am not from the BTD area, they have not filed me affidavit, my lord. They have not said so, my lord. But in earlier writ petition, they have stated that she is not from BTD, that's why he is not appointed. Or no person who is, my lord, appointed, he selected, he is a PhD degree holder. So that is nullified by this honorable court. This honorable court interfered with. Now, my lord, both the selected candidate as well as the petitioner in the other case, my lord, they are getting less than me, my lord. Sir, why I am not been appointed? Till today, they have not clarified, my lord.
That's what I think you'll have to file your affidavit. Clarifying that position.
No, they will, your lordship kindly, I have seen, my lord, in most of the UTD areas in this type of cases, they are never file affidavit. So your lordship, specific date may be given, in such and such date may they have to file affidavit, my lord.
That after that, if you don't file it, we'll dispose of on the merit.
But it will not improve the situation because the.
No,
itself will-
it is not a question of improving the situation or not.
They are
But
views, my lord.
the why you are sidelining the petitioner?
That can find. That only thing is that Korobi does has been appointed.
I'm not expressing any opinion on the merits at this stage. After you file your affidavit, then only I'll give my views.
Not so. Then my lord will fix a date, my lord.
It's a date and giving a less chance, my lord. Your lordship kindly see, the college is suffering, my lord. And that cannot be done. The question, my lord, non-BTAD area. Then why that can be, the advertisement be made only to the BTAD area? Why, my lord, other candidate allowed to sit in the exam?
Let it be a common order.
Common order, my lord.
But Mr.
In 32 and repairing and off.
N. Hoff, learned counsel for the petitioner in WBC number 2776 of 2022. And Mr. T.J. Mahanda, learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr. D. Mahanda, learned counsel for the petitioner in WBC number 3058 of 2024. Stop. Mr. S. Bora, learned standing counsel BTC. Is allowed how much time you require?
That may will fix it on 18th, my lord, December.
Okay, Allah is allowed 2 weeks time
Good.
to file counter affidavit in both the writ petitions. Stop. However, if no affidavit is filed by the next suitable date, this case shall be decided on the basis of materials available on record. Okay.
No, my lord, that
So,
may be fixed, my lord.
1 minute. Dr. Pia Gawal, learned standing counsel,
UGC.
UGC, appears for the respond number 7 in WBC number 3058 of 2024. Stop. List the matter on 18th of December.
Interim order pass earlier shall continue.
Interim is that?
Yes, in both the cases, there is interim order.
Interim order passed in both the writ petitions.
Develop.
Continue till the next.
27.
So,
Not will allow 2 weeks time to file for the BTC to file the affidavit, my lord.
okay, heard Mr.
Yes, Islam.
S. Islam, learned counsel for petitioner, Mr. S. Bora. Learned standing counsel BTC is allowed 2 weeks time to file.
RK Musari's name be reflected, my he is appearing, he's on next one, other RK Musari's name be reflected, my
Mr.
RK Musari.
R.K. Mushari, learned standing counsel BTC is allowed 2 weeks time to file counter affidavit.
Date may fix date plus.
List on. Okay, 18th.
18th.
Mr. K. Mina, learned counsel. A. Mina, learned counsel appears for the respond number 5.
34.
No affidavit.
I have filed the affidavit.
How about finance and higher education? Last occasion you were given time.
And from our side, what I have received instruction is, this matter is pending before the auditor, regarding verification. That is going on, and I've been asked to seek 3 weeks time,
Lordship, today is the 5th date. They are taking time.
Our affidavit is ready, Lordship, but what is going on is the authorities in the finance and the higher education both are coordinating, Lordship. We are both coordinating to address the grievance of the, because of which we can file my one WPC 2945, Lordship. We have already sent the affidavit for signatures, Lordship. So, Lordship, is some time because we are considering the case of the guy in higher education.
Okay, then I'm not saying much. I'll just record that it is under the verification of the auditor.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are processing the claim or petition.
Heard MS?
As Patwari.
S. Patwari, learned counsel for the petition. Mr. S. Das, the Standing Council, Higher Education Department, Assam, on instructions, submits that the case of the petitioner is under verification by the auditor of the Directorate of Higher Education to consider whether the financial benefit claimed by the petitioner, whether the financial benefits as claimed by the petitioner, no, as to whether the petitioner is entitled to the financial petitioner, to the financial benefit claimed by him. Stop. He accordingly prays for how much? 2 weeks time you take up.
3 weeks will be.
3 weeks will go to January.
Because Malad, this matter is Malad, otherwise 2024 matter,
Okay, he
and he is
accordingly
getting salary Malad.
prays for 3
Only.
weeks time to receive appropriate instructions. List on okay. 6 on the opening day, 6th January.
6th of January.
Appearance may kindly be recorded.
Dr. P.R. Gawal, the Standing Council,
UGC.
appears for the UGC, and Mr. UP Chalia, Leonard Council, appears for the respond number 7.
Can it be fixed on in the month of December, Lord?
That is not possible.
December will be. Same order Malad, both again.
Are you appearing in both?
Lordship, the only respondent number, otherwise I'm updating.
Okay, give the same, for the UGC and respond number 6.
Much
36.
Ma'am, please, Your Lordship. Here is the case, my lord. The petitioner was placed under suspension, my lord.
You filed your reply?
Reply, everything is there, my lord. Lordship can dispose of in the light of the coordinate bench.
So, my lord, on next week, my lord, maybe come for the disposal, my lord. Meeting is already over.
My lord, Lordship can dispose of.
Reply, my lord.
You want what?
Reply is everything is there, my lord. Our coordinate bench has already decided the matter, my lord. In the similar.
Next week, my lord.
Office notes, have a look, my lord.
You're not prepared today?
Yes, my lord. So, next week.
Okay, heard Mr.
Lordship
J.
can fix
Marvia,
the
Leonard
matter on
Council for
Tuesday,
the-
my lord.
On request made by you, Shamal, and the Standing Council. Secondary.
Secondary education.
Friday no, Tuesday kora. Tuesday.
When do you want?
Any day.
Lordship fix the matter on Tuesday, my lord. On 2nd December.
3rd of December.
Third of the.
Hand over to be made, my lord.
That is that.
37.
Dispose.
Lordship, this case has been listed at our instance today, Lordship, by an order. Lordship, because on earlier occasion, in the month of August, Lordship, they took some time to file an affidavit.
In a,
I
that
was
has not come.
expecting Lordship,
That has not come yet.
not as come, Lordship. Because I was expecting a Lordship interim order from your Lordship. And that was also fixed for, that is why Lordship, the case was fixed subsequently, Lordship. Lordship, I have been removed from the post of in-charge principal only on assumption, Lordship. Page 60, Lordship, may kindly be seen, Lordship.
Page
60. On the basis of an inquiry report, Lordship. The last paragraph, Lordship. Bottom paragraph, Lordship. At the bottom paragraph, Lordship. Therefore, another Lordship may kindly see from parallelly the additional district commissioner Golpara, who was entrusted as the inquiry officer. About this.
Okay.
Okay, last from the above, Lordship. About this, also submitted a report to the district commissioner wherein it was reflected that during the tenure of the principalship of Zakir Hussain, the school was running properly and discipline was also maintained in the school. Further, the additional district commissioner also stated in her report that one Fazil Haq, assistant teacher of that school, was involved in the matter of collecting illegal money in the name of allotting rooms in the school campus for the purpose of opening shops and instigating the teachers, the local people and
and also spreading rumors against the school. The inquiry officer also recommended to take disciplinary action against Fazil Haq, and he has been suspended. Fazil Haq, then that is another teacher also. Accordingly, in response to the recommendation of the inquiry officer, Fazil Haq 80 of Krishna Higher Secondary School was placed under suspension by order dated 20th December. Next paragraph, Lordship. Thereafter, another complaint was received from some local people in connection with illegal collection of fees from the students by the principal in charge of the school, and also regarding his academic qualification. In this regard, a hearing was also conducted by the undersigned on 18/1/2024 in the office chamber of the undersigned, wherein the complainants submitted their written statement stating that the educational environment of Krishna High Secondary School has been deteriorating due to loose administration of Zakir Hussain. This is the allegation, loose administration. Then may come. Hence, ma'am, as complaints and allegations have been received from different organizations, local people from time to time against Zakir Hussain. Question of administrability of Zakir Hussain has been raised by different angles. Hence, it may be assumed that Zakir Hussain may have to face difficulties in running the school smoothly, as he failed to obtain support from all teaching and non-teaching staff of the school as well as local people. This is the allegation. It is an assumption that, Lordship, I may be a loose administration. In fact, Lordship, I have initiated the process for demolishing the illegal construction made by the under teacher. And Lordship, there are certificates I have brought on record, Lordship. I have been given certificate that I have been running the school smoothly. But still, Lordship, I have been removed from the post of in-charge principal, and Lordship, the inspector of school has been allowed to hold the search.
Madam, here, since the complaint has lodged and allegation also there, my lord. So interim.
That is an assumption, Lordship. That's just now I have read, Lordship.
No, where is your affidavit?
Madam, the instruction is awaited here, my lord. So sometime is because it is the 2024 matter, my lord.
Lordship, I have been removed from the post of in-charge.
Maybe it is a 2024 matter. That does not mean that you are not going to file affidavit.
No. We are going to file affidavit, my lord. The instruction is awaited, my lord. So sometime it's 2 weeks, at least 2 weeks, maybe.
Lordship, may kindly give a fixed date, Lordship. Otherwise, Lordship, I have
Court S.K. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. U. Sharma, learned standing counsel secondary education, is allowed 2 weeks time to file affidavit. Released on 16th December.
16th.
38.
Well, in this case, my last question, the lawsuit asked the health department. They have also provided, my lord, given me also copy to me, my lord, that the my lord, the report is already submitted.
Lordship, we have already submitted the report to the joint secretary. Here, I have the copy, Lordship. Lordship would like to have a look.
Now, the government, my lord, has to take a call with regard to disbursement of the amount in the personal PPG department.
Okay, you have submitted the report.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Okay, heard Mr. B. Forecastle and counsel for the petition. Stop. Mr. H. Alia, learned standing counsel health department, submits that the principal cum chief superintendent, Silchar Medical College and Hospital, Silchar, has resubmitted the medical examination report in respect of the petitioner to the Joint Secretary, ARTP and PG Department, Government of Assam, by communication dated 25/9/2024. This is already done in September.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
On the last day.
Then who appears for this?
Mr. B. Deori, my lord.
Where is Deori?
On the basis of that statement, Lordship, we got the latest injury because they said that the medical report was not duly signed because of which they could not process, Lordship. But as per, this is the complete document we have sent, Lordship. This is the copy that has been provided to us.
Where is he?
They should get an instruction on. Lordship may have it after some time. We can.
Anyway, he'll have to receive
Yes,
instructions.
Lordship.
Mr. B. Deori, government advocate, shall take instructions as to what further steps has been taken by the by the ARTP and PG department after the medical report of the examination report of the petitioner was resubmitted by the principal cum chief superintendent Silchar Medical College and Hospital Silchar by communication dated 25/9/2024.
I have also my lord forwarded to him, my lord. My learned friend B. Deori, I have forwarded the copy.
At least you tell him that
Yes,
this order has been passed. Mr.
My lord, it may come on, my lord, 9th of December, my lord.
Then the Standing Council appears for the Accountant General Office. List the matter on 11th. December.
39.
I was praying third occasion the matter has come, praying for a similar order as passed by the division bench. They took instructions, they took time for instructions.
Yeah, Khatani,
Yes, madam. I have seen the order of the division bench, my lord. Division bench passed the order pursuant to a dismissal of the writ petition by a single bench, but they have not preferred any writ petition earlier. Now they have approached this honorable court, my lord. Secondly, my lord, they are relying on a decision taken by the meeting held by Honorable Chief Minister, my lord. Well, kindly come to page 191. Page 191, my lord.
yes.
Serial number 1, the resolution. The Government of Assam will consider extending the benefit of old pension scheme to those employees who joined the government of service after 2005, but the recruitment process for the concerned post was started prior to January 2005, in line with the recent OM issued by the central government. So here, the Government of Assam will consider the case who have joined after 2005, but their recruitment process started prior to January 2005. Here, my lord, they are originally appointed as OBB teacher under a scheme, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, their services are extended from time to time, but they have not been recruited in a recruitment process. Pursuant to order of this honorable court, my lord, their services were regularized after 2005, my lord. So they will not come ambit of this clause, my lord.
So
Because
you're
this
saying
is-
the division bench judgment will not cover the case?
Because, my lord, they are relying on this clause. This clause pertains to a recruitment process, not for regulation, my lord.
No, so you want to file your affidavit? Or you want to proceed with the hearing?
The other day, my lord,
1 minute.
day before yesterday, similar order has been passed. by the division.
Okay.
In same matter. Same matter, division bench in OBB matter. Here
Because
what
my
has
lord-
happened, my lord, I'm just placing the fact, 96 advertisement was there. Then 2002, my lord, they were appointed. And my lord, they were appointed for a period of 1 year, but subsequently, as per the order of the court, my lord, High Court, they continued in service. Court held that they are entitled to get regular appointment. So accordingly, my lord, although the process started from 1996, my lord, they were regularized in the year
Let's have a
2010.
copy of the order,
Which order?
the recent order.
Yes, division bench. Because there was a delay, that is. No. Only day before yesterday, my lord, there was a delay of 500 so and so days. And that was condoned and accordingly the order was passed. So all these matters are before the government. Why these petitioners should be, my lord, deprived? If the, my learned council decides the merit in this,
But the problem here today,
Yes.
I'm rising at 3 o'clock
Well,
because of some,
yes.
so I may not be able to dictate
Well,
the whole. So we'll fix a date for disposal of these writ petitions.
yes.
Khatani also, you come ready.
Yes, well, otherwise I have, because if they're simply
Government
paying
is,
for a consideration to that extent, I have no objection, my lord.
But Mr. BD Das, then the senior counsel, assisted by Mr.
D Bania. D Bania. D Bania.
for the petitioner, as well as NG Khatania, then the standing counsel. Secondary,
Department of School Education, both are secretary.
Department of School Education, as well as Mr. A. Chalia, then the standing counsel, Finance Department. Let us fix a date,
Yes, my lord.
list the matter on
Monday next,
Monday next. Second.
yes.
Second. It's up to you. We can.
Well,
have it.
second.
Yes, second. Second 1 minute. Ah,
39 to 46, same order you'll.
same order. Up to 46. Huh? You'll have to type.
Appellate.
To 46.
My item is 14.
Item 48. Except his name, just say, heard Mr. R. Majumdar, then the council for the petition. Huh? Then 47 also, does
No, 47 is different.
different.
Their government wanted to file affidavit. They did not file it as yet, so interim order will continue. Here, the petitioner was transferred. She was a teacher, my lord. She was attached. Her service was attached, my lord. He was not, my lord, your lordship has.
Yeah,
Record.
are you filing?
Yes, my lord, in fact. My lord, may can some more time, my lord.
Okay, heard,
Can I
Mr.
dream,
V.
my lord?
Das, Leonard Senior Counsel, assisted by Ms. R. Dekal, Leonard Counsel for the petitioner. On request made by NG Khatania, Leonard Standing Counsel, School Education Department. How much time?
3 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks. 3
Dagmar
weeks
will do
time
it.
is allowed to file counter affidavit.
Let it come first week of January. ma'am. Holidays are there.
List the matter on
Doctor, numerical, I don't know.
January, how many cases have fixed? Okay.
It will hold the appeal will be like that, no?
9th January.
And the interim order will continue.
Interim
Interim,
order
your
is-
lordship has recorded that they are not going to take any course.
Okay, the assurance given by the Leonard Standing
Will
Counsel,
continue.
elementary education on Assam, which is reflected at para 3 of the order dated 29th and 2024, shall hold the field till the next sitting.
Obligation.
Hmm? 48, you are saying it's.
4950 order.
And in this case, my lord, instruction was sought for from the secondary education department, my lord. This is a contempt matter, my lord, 2020, but till date, nothing has been
Where
done.
is Chishti?
Left the court, your lordship, due
Hmm?
to some personal difficulties. So kindly accommodate some further 2 weeks' time, your lordship.
2 weeks time, how can we,
Yes,
do
my
do you have instructions from him to pray for 2
lord.
weeks time? Majumdar, you are appearing here.
Yes, my lord. I had received some instructions, my lord, I had given on the mail. Apparently, my lord, we have tried time and again. The finance department keeps reverting back to us, asking queries and asking opinions all the time.
Finance is a respondent here.
Yes, yes.
Respond number 10, lordship, in item 50.
Item
In item 50, respond number 10, lordship.
and respondent number 10. How about in the item 49?
No, lordship, finance is not a part.
Same.
Item 49, finance also party.
Yes,
Yes, 49 also.
Where?
No, lordship, it's a reflected in the corpus, lordship.
Item Respondent 9 is a finance.
Lordship not reflected in the causes.
Manish Thakur.
Whether notices were issued in item 9, 49.
Matter is pending manner since long back. One person has already died and some other is going to be retired.
1 minute.
Direction of 2020.
Lordship has the communication I'm placing today. With reference to subject above, I am directly informed that a proposal for creation of supernumerary post in respect of the petitioners was endorsed to the Finance EC3 department for their concurrence several times. But the Finance department returned a concern file with some queries. Lately, via the endorsement dated 27/24, the Finance department has again returned a file with a request to resubmit the proposal along with the views of the learned Advocate General Assam. Accordingly, the department has requested the Advocate General. They simply keep on asking for views and views and views. Files keep on rotating and rotating.
Lordship not reflecting the causes as the Lordship, but you don't have to file it first. But you sometime maybe grant the Lordship.
Each one the notices were issued.
D Psyche is appearing in item number 50. Majumdar?
That would be for
Finance department, Lordship, on behalf of Mr. B. Gogoi, Lordship.
Okay, fine. Item 49, I'll give you time, don't worry. Item 50 also you appear.
Yes, Lordship, respond number 10.
In the item 50, what I'm saying is for the respondents, D Psyche is appearing. Correct? If you see the cost list.
yes, he'll be leading us. He's the
How can he lead? How can he lead you when he's going to give his views? Majumdar?
That is where we hang up, my lord. We filed the wakalatnama with him leading us because it's a contempt case where senior officials are involved. And finally,
Now when he has
the officers send it back to us saying that we need your views now.
after he has signed a wakalatnama,
My lord.
can you give his views?
Therefore, my lord, they're saying in July they had sent it, perhaps therefore the views are not going. Just I don't know.
We can't have like this. Somebody has to come to court. Somebody has to come to court.
From the education department, my lord, we have sent proposals.
We have seen that.
Creation of fourth. Lord, if lordship observes
Parwa,
for today,
I think you'll have to come to court.
my hell,
Lordship.
court.
Lordship 1, Lordship sometime maybe granted, Lordship.
Can't let a petitioner hang around like that.
Lordship, according to the instruction, Lordship, the proposal was thoroughly examined by the Finance Department and certain clarifications were required. The proposal was sent back to the Education Department through Finance EC3 Department to come up with the necessary clarification. Lordship. But you gave this instruction, Lordship. It was sent back to the Education Department.
That's why we want to know why are you sending the
Yes.
file back every now and then.
Lordship, maybe please pass over the matter for the timing, Lordship, or it.
Time being, I'm rising at 3 o'clock. No?
Lordship, then it may be fixed on next week. then.
Fix a date, my lord, in on the day.
Okay, you come with
They will
this.
place the instruction.
From the
They will place the instruction from the finance, my lord.
But Mr.
RS.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner. On request made by MS
Arbor.
R. Barwal, Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of Mr.
B. Gogoi, Lordship.
G. Gogoi, Learned Counsel for the
Respond number 10, Lordship.
respond number 10 in the contempt case 376 of 2020. Correct.
Yes, Lord.
List on
into the support.
21.
50. Lordship.
I'll give you a date. Your date.
Yes.
Because on that day I'm going to pass some orders. That's why I'm give you a date. Your date.
Lordship, 6. Lordship, 6 of December, Lordship.
6 of December. Come tell Gogoi to get appropriate instructions and come, otherwise he'll be coming to court.
Lordship.
Much of this.
51.
May it please, Your Lord.
Yes.
Last occasion, your lordship directed to file affidavit that was not on record, my lord. They file affidavit and it was a record. And in this affidavit, my lord, Please may kindly see page 42, my lord.
Yes.
42 paragraph 4, my lord. That after receipt of the checklist from the concerned district elementary education officer Lakhimpur, the director elementary education Assam submitted an authenticated checklist to the office of the answering deponent for creation of supernumerary post in respect of petitioner Dipti Das, White communication dated 2/10/2024. That is his communication given by the director, my lord. And next page, my lord. Para 5. Deponent begs to state that after receipt of the checklist to the office of the answering deponent, White communication dated 2/10/2024 issued by director, initiate the required procedure for creation of supernumerary post in the name of the petitioner of this contempt case, including obtaining of concurrence of the finance department, which is under active progress. But my lord, no record what type of steps has been taken by the my lord. Order was directed to secretary, principal secretary, and secretary
Yes.
has not any taken steps on record, my lord. This is like letter is only director, my lord. Well, what his office is doing, my lord.
It is, madam, now it is under the, for creation of supernumerary post, we have to move the finance department, madam. So now,
But what type of move, my lord? There is no wrong record.
because we have sent the proposal to the finance department for creation of supernumerary post.
But there is no any.
So when did you send it?
There is no any mention, my lord.
1 minute. This is between the court and the contempt matter. This is a contempt matter.
My lord.
Date, madam, date has not been mentioned in the affidavit, but from, because he has signed this,
You produce the,
yes, well,
produce the documents.
I will put it there.
Third, Mr. N. Boral and the counsel for the petitioner. The respondent number 2 has filed an affidavit, wherein it is stated that after the checklist from the concerned district elementary education officer, Lakhimpur. No, after receipt of the checklist, the director elementary education Assam submitted the authenticated checklist to the office of the respondent number 2 for creation of supernumerary post in respect of the petitioner by a communication dated 2/10/2024. Stop. It is further stated that on receipt of the communication dated 2/10/2024, the respondent number 2 initiated the required procedures for creation of supernumerary post in the name of the petitioner, including obtaining the concurrence from the finance department. Stop. However, in the said affidavit, no documentary evidence has been placed to substantiate the statements made during stop. Para Mr. N.J. Katanier, learned counsel for the respondent number 2, is directed to produce all the relevant documents with regard to the steps taken by the respondent for creation of supernumerary posts in respect of the petition. When do you want this on?
My lord. Second or fourth, madam?
Second, my lord.
Either second or fourth.
Fourth, look at fourth.
Fourth, madam.
For any cases.
Second, maybe.
Sixth.
My lord. Obligation. Marks for next.
52.
May page, your lordship. Lordship, this is for the contempt for violation of an order dated 7/2/2022. The lordship will find the relevant at page 12.
You file your amended cost title?
Yes, lordship, we have filed that, lordship. On 21/11/2023, that was filed. 23/11/2023 steps were also taken.
23?
23rd of November 2023, Lordship, in pursuance to submission of the amended cost title, steps were also taken upon the respondent number 3. However, Lordship, this order of 2022, it's almost nearing 3 years. This has not been complied with.
Yeah, who appears? Anybody appearing on the, whether notice is complete?
Lordship.
Whether
Lordship,
notice is
the
complete?
Office note does not reflect anything.
Notice was issued on the newly implemented respondent or not?
Yes, Lordship.
When was it implemented?
Lordship, that was on
Who was the implemented, newly implemented respondent?
Lordship, the contender number 3, Lordship.
Contender number 3.
Lordship.
Let us see in the IA whether notice has gone. Notice. Notice has not gone.
Lordship, only.
There was some
The application was allowed, but
application was allowed.
Lordship, only
But
the
notice was not issued today. Third, Mr.
age Chakraborty, Lordship.
Then the counsel for the petitioner issue notice on the respondent number 3. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the respondent number 3 by registered proceeding within 1 week.
Okay.
List after 4 weeks.
Right, sir.
59, I saw 59.
Oh,
Can you fix on my lord 11, my lord? 19 order has not been complied with, my lord. On 11, my lord?
okay. 11.
Oblige, your lordship.
Lordship's permission, my lord, item number 53 and 54.
Ah.
So it is the review petition, my lord.
Ah.
If this matter can be taken up after 4 weeks, my lord, on a consensus.
Okay, on request made by the parties. Is the matter after 4 weeks.
The interim order continues in the review petition.
Interim is there?
My lord, it's.
Interim order passed in the review petition to continue till the next interim.
Obliged.
Obliged.
May please, Lordship. Lordship, item number 63 of supplementary list, Lordship.
Mm.
Lordship, the petitioner is going to superannuation, so that's why, Lordship, some
When is he retiring?
Lordship next month. So that's why, Lordship, it is a contempt matter, Lordship. Still,
9th is.
high level.